ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वदरुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
We were seeing Saki Shabda and Pati Shabda and discussing on the Nadi Sanya and Ki Sanya. Just we will have a quick look. And before that, the Drikaranta Shabda. I think I gave you the homework. Nru Shabda. Nru Shabda. Nru, the declension is, how do you decline Nru Shabda?
Na naro naraha. That is
Na naro.
last class homework.
Yes. Na naro naraha. Naram
Naram
naro.
naro nrun.
Nrun. Then Nra. Nrubhyam. Nrubhi. Then
Nare.
not Nare.
Nre.
Nre. Nrubhyam. Yaha. Then Nuhu. Nuhu Nrubhyam. Nrubhyaha. Nuhu. Nroho. Then
Nruna.
yeah, two forms are there, right?
Yeah.
How you get two forms? Then Nari, Nroho, Drushu. But how do you get two forms? 6-2, 6-3? by the Sutra 646. That is Nricha. Sutram is there. But I didn't do it, I think, in the class. How did you get two forms? Only one form, right? For all the Shabdas.
Only I will tell. Rest will
Nricha. But there is a Sutra, Nricha. Okay, just I didn't cover that one. One minute. That is 6.4 section. We go to 6.4, the Dirgatvam. 6.4.6, you see. Nricha. Nricha. Nami pare. Nami coming as anuvritti. Nami pare. Nru Shabdasya. Dirgatvam. Bhavati. Nricha. Chandasi Ubayata. Ubayata coming as anuvritti. Chandasi Ubayata. Ubayata means Vikalpa. Here, Chandasi in Veda it is Ubayata. So Ubayata coming as anuvritti. Therefore, Dru Shabda taking Dirgatvam is optional, right? So therefore, you have two forms. Nrinam or Nrinam, right? This is a sutra. Nricha, you can note. Six, 4, 6. Maybe I will do that and next class we'll add that also, the Nr Shabda also. I have not added. Shashti Bhagavachanasya Nami Pratyaya Pare Nr Shabdasya Dirghadeshva Vikalpena Bhavati. Ubayata Asya Artaha Atra Va Vikalpena Iti Svikriyate. Chandasi Ubayata. The Ubayata coming as anuvritti. So therefore, Dvabhyam Prakharabhyam iti Arthagrahanam Kriyate Chet Dirghaha Dvabhyam Prakharabhyam Bhavati iti Anishtam Bhakyam Siddhyet. Anyway, the Ubayata meaning Vikalpena iti Artaha here. Okay. So therefore, Dirgatvam is optional. That you can note for Dru Shabda. So Drunam or Dranam. Okay, then I will add Nr Shabda also later. Hope you will not have any difficulty in declining the forms of the Nr Shabda. Na, Naro, Naraha. Simple. Only this Shashti, Bhagavachanam, Dirgatvam, Vikalpena Bhavati. Okay, then Nakaranta Shabda. Nakaranta Shabda. Naptra Shabda. How do you decline Naptra? Naptra. Yeah. Here it is. You can see Naptra is here. This Sutra 6.4.11. Aptru. Up, not up. Trin. Trich. Swasra. Naptra. Neshtru. Tvashtru. Kshatru. Hotru. Potru. Prashastru. Nam. Right? So here Naptru. So Napta, Naptaru.
Naptara.
Naptara. Even though Naptra is familiar, but still. Napta, Naptaru, Naptaraha, Naptaram, Naptaru, Naptrun. Right? Similarly, Neshtu. Neshta, Neshtaru, Neshtara. Neshtaram, Neshtaru, Neshtrun. Tvashta, Tvashtaru, Tvashtaraha, Tvashtaram, Tvashtaru, Tvashtrun. Similarly, Kshatta, Kshattaru, Kshattaraha, Kshattaram, Kshattaru, Kshatrun. Hota, hotaro, hotarah, hotaram, hotaro, hotrun.
Hotrun.
Pota, potaro, potarah, potaram,
Hotaram,
hotaro,
Hotaro,
hotrun.
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 Then Prashastru,
Prashasta,
Prashasta.
Prashasta, Prashastaru,
Prashastaro, Prashastara,
Prashastaram,
Shastaram,
Prashtaram.
Shastaram,
Prashastaro.
Shastru,
Prashastrun.
What about Udgatru? Udgatru.
Udgata,
Gata, Udgatarau, Udgatarah, Udgataram,
Udgataram, Udgataram,
Gataro. Udgatrun.
Udgatrun.
This Otru, Potru, Udgatru. This Otru is the name of the priest. Otru, Potru, Udgatru, and Brahma. The names of the four priests of the four Vedas, respectively. Right? So Udgatra, even though Udgatra not here, that also can be included. Udgata, Udgataru, Udgataraha, Udgataram, Udgataru, Udgatrun. That also Upada Dirgham Tvam Bhavati. This is Udgatru. Even though Udgatru is not written here, but Bhashyakara, Mahabhashyakara, he uses this word Udgataraha iti. So therefore Udgataraha also we have to take it, consider. Even though not mentioned here, Udgataraha. In the Mahabhashya, the Mahabhashyakara, he uses in the Mahabhashyam to the Sutra 211, Samartha Padavidhi. He has used, we have to find out where it is, but just you can note that. So therefore, Udgata, Udgataru, Udgataraha. So that is Dirghatvam is Shuddha Prayoga. Though it is not mentioned here. So what becomes a Pramanam? Mahabhashya becomes a Pramanam. Okay. Just a note. This also you can, I will add that also later. Then how do you decline Shastri Shabda? Shastri.
Shasta. Shastaro.
Shastara,
Shastarah. Shastaram. Shastaro. Shastrun.
The word Shastri. Shastri. The Shastra is derived from the Trish Pratyaya, right? Shastra is derived from
Adding.
Trish Pratyaya. Then this Shasta, Shastaru, Shastaraha, Shastaram. Here one thing is that, just a minute, just see that. One more. Shastra, okay. Shastra, if you take that, what is the three is the three in that word, Shastra.
Trich Pratyaya.
Trich.
That is Nul Tricho, right? By the Nul Tricho, Shas Dhatu Shasana, Anushishtau. 1 minute. Yes. Devanagari. The Nra Shabda I will add later. Now, this a note about this certain words. Shastra. Shastra is the word. If you take it as Shasdhatu with Trich Pratyaya, this Trich is what Trich? Nul Tricho. Kartari, Nul Tricho, Kartari. So therefore you get Shastra. Shasta, Shastaro, Shastaraha. Okay, then suppose if it is Trich is because of the Unadi Sutra, not because of the Nul Tricho. Nul Tricho, Trich is Shasta, Shastaro, Shastaraha, Upada, Dirgatam Bhavati. Suppose if this Trich is ordained by a Unadi Sutra, then Dirgatam will not happen. So in that case, it becomes Shasta, Shastaro, Shastaraha. It will be like Pitra Shabda only. In the Sutra here, Up, Trin, Trich, and the other words, all these are Naptra, Neshtra, Tvashtra. Yet Trich, Trin, Trich is any Trich, any Trin. Trich and Trin referring to the Pratyaya. Trich Pratyaya is there in, it is Trich Pratyaya and Trin Pratyaya. It is there in Ashtadhyay and also as Unadi Sutra also. In Unadi also, Pratyayas are there. These words, Naptra, Neshtra, Tvashtra, etc. All these are Unadi Shabda, derived by Unadi Pratyaya, the addition of Unadi Pratyayas. So that is why that is listed here. So, accepting the words like Naptra, Neshtra, etc. All these are Unadi Pratyaya, Unadi Trin Pratyanta, Trich Pratyanta Shabda. Other Unadi Trin Pratyanta, Trich Pratyanta Shabda will not take Upada Dirgatvam. Therefore, Shastra, if you take the Trish Pratyaya as Aunadika Pratyaya, Unadi Pratyaya, then Upada Dirgatvam will not happen. Shastra, Shamstra, Kshotra, Hantra, right, etc. All these words. All these words you will not get. Nanandra. Nanandra also. Nananda, Nanandara, Nanandra, Devru. So you will not get. All these are Aunadi Pratyanta Shabda. Except the Aunadi Pratyanta Shabda which are listed in this sutra, other Aunadika Pratyanta Shabdas will not take Padadidhatvam. Okay. So, therefore, if it is Trich and Trin of the Ashtadhyayi, Sutra Pata, then it will take. But other words here, what are the other words? Okay, let me just write this. Aptra, one word is that, right? Aptra. Then what are the other words? Aptru, aptrin,
Trich.
aptrin, drich. I will list down the words. Aptrin, drich. Then swasru,
Sru. Naptru.
naptru. Then
Neshtru.
neshtru.
Kshatru.
What is the next one?
Kshatru.
Kshatra, right?
Charioteer.
Then
Potru.
potru,
Potru.
potru. Okay.
Potru.
Potru, potru, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then
Then
Prashastra, I think.
Prashastru.
Yeah. These Rikaranta Shabda, which are listed here. These Rikaranta Shabda. And of course, Trich and Trin, Anta. The Rikaranta Shabda, we can classify that into, Rikaranta can be classified into two. Rikaranta Shabda. One is Aunadika, Aunadi Pratyayanta. Other one is not Unadi. One is right. Aunadi Pratyayanta. Shabdaha. And second one is Anya Shabdaha. Anya means Ashtadhyayi, Ette. Anya. Anya Pratyayantaha. Pratyayanta Shabdaha.
Ji, Aunadi is
Unadi is a Tadita, Unadi. Unado Bhavaha, Tatra Bhavaha, made Unado, Tadita, Unadi.
okay.
Ramnatham, there is also agent noun based and familiar noun based. Another
Yeah.
concept.
The agent based is, that is what is Ashtadhyayi. That is, Anya Pratyayanta is Nul Tricho and all covers here. Ashtadhyayi based. That is what it is. Nul Tricho. Nil Tricho and as well as on Trin Pratyaya, Tachila the Trin Pratyaya is there in Ashtadhyayi. So those Pratyaya. Trich is by Nul Tricho. 131, I think. That Nul Tricho. Kartari Trish. So any dhatu. Any dhatu can take a null or a trich pratyaya. The number is 133. The sutra. Kattari trich. The trich pratyaya and trin pratyaya is tachila adi pratyaya. Trin pratyaya. Anya pratyaya means ashtadhyayam vartate. Those pratyayas. So now here in this sutra, these words which are given here, all these are unadi shabdas. All these are unadi shabdas. So aptru, swasru, naptru, neshtru, kshatru, hotru, potru, prashastru. These shabdas will take upada dirgatvam. Upada dirgatvam. What about the shabdas which are other than this? That will not take upada dirgatvam. That will not take upada dirgatvam. So here, now let us see that sutra for more. 6411. Siddhanta Kaumudi. Yeah. Avadinam upadayah dirghah syat asambuddho sarvasthane pare. Naptradigrahanam Vyutpatti pakshe niyamartham. Unadi nishpannanam trintrajantanam ched bhavati tarhi naptradinam eva tena pitra bhratra pravritinam na udgata shabdasya tu bhavati eva. That is naptra etc. These trinanta trijanta vyutpatti paksha the shabda. This rule is for vyutpatti paksha shabda. Vyutpatti paksha. Meaning in the vyutpatti paksha, the aunadi shabda having trinanta you have to understand it is with aunadika trinanta trijanta shabda. Naptra, neshtra, tvashtra, kshatra, potra, shastra, etc. So these 7 words, by this sutra, dirghatam happens. Not for other aunadika trinanta trijanta shabda. Unadi nishpannanam trintrijantanam dirghaha chet naptradinam eva natu pitradinam iti niyamaha atra asti. So some people they say this aunadika, that is unadi shabdas are vyutpanna. Some people say they are not vyutpanna, derived, not derived. So those who say that is avyutpanna, then naptra etc. They don't consider this naptra as naptra having any shabda or pratyaya. That is avyutpanna paksha, rudi. Some words are there in the language as it is. You know, there are 2 paksha. One is vyutpatti paksha, other one is avyutpatti paksha. Avyutpatti paksha says these words are there, not etymologically derivable. Vyutpatti paksha is, they say, etymologically derivable. So for the avyutpanna paksha, for them, these are just words. Therefore, they don't consider this as the dhatu or the pratyaya. The words are not derived by the addition of the pratyaya to the dhatus. That is avyutpanna paksha. According to them, this up, trin, trich, swastra, by this sutra, it doesn't have any purpose for them. So for them, naptra, neshtra, all these shabdas, upada, dirghatvam, this by this sutra it happens. Whereas Vitpakti Paksha, for them, Padam only the Prakriti, Pratyaya, then Agama, Adesha, etc. All those things are there. So Naptra, etc. This Shabda, Vitpakti Paksha, they can take this as Trinanta, Trijanta. So according to them, that Trinanta, that Aptra, etc. This Shabda, Dirghatam happens by this sutra. By this sutra only, the Dirghatam happens. Therefore, here, what Panir Maharishi has said is the Trinanta, Trin Pratyanta, Trich Pratyanta, Ashtadhyayista, Trin Pratyanta, Trich Pratyanta, that alone he takes according to Panir Maharishi, that here the Trin and Trich, these are Ashtadhyayista, Trin Pratyanta. And Aunadika Trin and Trich, they are not included here. Therefore, in order to mention, that's why he has added these words, Naptra, Neshtra, these 7 Aunadika, Trinanta, Trijanta, Shabda, he has specifically mentioned in the sutra. Aunadika, Trinanta, Trijanta, Shabda. Okay. Otherwise, he did not mention that specifically. Those 7 words are, what are those 7 words? Those 7 words in the sutra, what you see, that Naptra, Neshtra, the Tvashtra, etc., those words. Prashastra, up to Prashastra.
Aptra, swasra, naptra, neshtra.
Swastra, leave it. Start taking from Naptra. Naptra, Neshtra, Tvashtra, Kshatra, Hotra, Potra, Prashastra. These 7 words. These 7 words, these are Unadi Pratyanta Trinantava, Trijantava Shabda. Okay, that alone he has taken. Then what about the words? What about other Unadi Pratyanta, Trich Pratyanta, Trin Pratyanta Shabda? For that, Dirghatvam will not happen, right? Only for the 7 words, Aunadika Pratyanta, Trin Pratyanta, Trijanta Shabda alone will take Dirghatvam. Other Aunadika, Trinanta, Trich Pratyanta Shabda, Dirghatvam will not happen. So, by the word, by the mentioning Trin and Trich in the Sutra, what Panini Maharishi wants to say is Ashtadhyayista Trinanta Trijanta Shabda alone. That alone will take Pada Dirghatvam. And these words which are Aunadi Pratyanta Trinanta Trijanta Shabda, this also will take Dirghatvam. That is why specifically he has mentioned those words also. Okay. So, therefore, if any other Unadi, Aunadika Shabda having the Trin Pratyaya, that will not undergo Dirghatvam. That is the idea. For example, Pitru. Pitru is Unadi Pratyanta Shabda. Doesn't undergo Dirghatvam. Where is Pitru is given? How do we take Pitru as Pita Pitaro? No Dirghatvam happens. What Sutra prevents Dirghatvam? Because it is not mentioned, therefore Dirghatvam doesn't happen. Right? Pita Pitaro Pitaraha. Similarly, Mata, Jamata, Jamatri Shabda, Dhuitru, Nru Shabda also like that, what you chanted now. Right? Devru, Nanandru, Nananda, Nanandaro, Nanandaraha. Right? All these words. Aptru. Aptru is the Aptru, Apta,
Apta, Aptaro, Aptaraha.
Apta, Aptaro, Aptaraha. But Aptru, if you take, 1 minute, let us see the word Aptru in the Shabdapata. I'm not sure whether it is there. Okay. Aptru is not given.
But all those words will have Upada Dirgha, no?
Upada Dirghatvam, yes, of course, yes. 1 minute. Aptru. Here, Aptru is equal to Jalam, Jalam. One minute. Apshabdasya pratama bhagavachanam apah iti bhavati ityapi iti atrapi upada dirghatvam bhavati. Not aptru, okay, it is apshabda. Okay, don't take it as aptru, it's a problem.
Okay.
It is apshabda, not aptru. There is no word aptru. Up is a shabda, then how can you add trich pratyaya to that? Okay, not aptru. Shamitava. Here we read like aptru. Up is one, trin is one, trich is other one. Okay. Apshabda, trin shabda, trin pratyanta shabda, trich pratyanta shabda. There is no word aptru. Here the word is up is only for Sarvanamasthana pratyaya pare upada dirghatvam bhavati, that we can see in apaha shabda. Already we have seen this. Apaha, adbihi, right? Don't confuse with that. There is no aptru. Okay. Suppose I said aptru. Suppose if there is a word aptru. Suppose if there is a word aptru. Then how do you decline that aptru? You see, there is a Dhadupata, up plus trich. Up plus, there is a word in not here, but is Unadi Shabda is a aptru. Okay, 1 minute. Unadi Pataha. Here, if you take the word, that's a word aptru. Yes. Yes, right. That's a Trikaranta Shabda aptru. Okay, I'll find out the Unadi Sutra later. I tell you, there is a word aptru itself is there. But in the Sutra, what we have seen, that is apshabda. Apshabda, trich shabda, trin shabda, those shabdas are up is a word, and trich and trin is trin pratyanta, trich pratyanta. That is why up is given before, not aptr. Okay. But I said aptr. That suppose if there is a word aptr, it is there actually. The trin pratyanta, that unadi pratyanta, aptr shabda is there. Now aptr shabda, how will you decline? I'll later tell you what is aptr, by what sutra, unadi sutra, the meaning. Suppose aptr is there, then how would you decline?
Aptarau, aptara.
Exactly. It is apta, aptarau, aptara, because that is unadi word, unadi shabda, which is not listed here, right?
Yeah.
Which is not listed here. Therefore, its dirghatva will not happen.
Yeah.
Upadirghatva. Similarly, shastra is here. Here, shastra, the word is unadi shastra shabda. Unadi shastra shabda, dirghatva will not happen. Therefore, shasta, shastaro, shastraha. But same the word, shastra, if it is Ashtadhyayi Satrich Pratyaya, then it will become Shasta, Shastaro, Shastaraha. Understand?
Yeah.
Subtle thing, this the Siddhanta Kaumadikara, he says that clear. Punadi Nishpannanam Trijantanam Chet Bhavati Tarhi Naptradinam Eva Naptradinam Vitpatti Pakshe Niyamartam. Okay, this is this is a significant line. So, therefore, the words which are listed here, all these are unadi shabda. Okay. So, other than this unadi shabda, upadādirghatva will not happen. That is why I gave this example. Suppose mantra is also unadi pratyanta shabda. Mantra, not trish pratyanta. Trish pratyanta also, ashtadhyaya trish pratyanta, you can also form. That is different. So you have to specify what is that shabda is. If it is unadi shabda, other than this shabda, will not take dirghatva. That is the meaning. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes.
Other than the words, other than the unadi shabdas which are listed here, other than the words which are unadi shabdas which are listed here, other than these shabdas which are listed here will not undergo dirghatvam. That is the idea. Okay. So trin and trich pratyanta, aunadika shabda which are listed here, that alone will undergo dirghatvam, upadādirghatvam. Other unadi pratyanta shabda will not undergo. Unadi trin pratyanta shabda will not undergo dirghatvam. And trin and trich ashtadhyayi is the trin pratyanta, trich pratyanta shabda will undergo dirghatvam. That is fine. Okay. That will happen. So you can divide this into 3 parts, the sutra. Aptra, the meaning of the word aptra is yajna. Okay.
Okay.
Aptra means the word aptri is the unadi shabda, meaning yajna. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes. So all these shabdas can be unadi shabdas also, and then mentioned in this sutra also.
Yeah, first this shabda, for example, see, is here. You see the word here. These are all unadi shabda. That is starting from naptra, neshtra. All these are unadi shabda. Prashastra. But shasdhatu, prashastra, prashastra. These are all unadi shabda. Prashastra, the word is listed here. We have to take it as unadi shabda.
Okay.
But shasdhatu is there. By nul trichav also you can add Ashtadhyayi Sutra. Nul trichav. Kartari nul trichav. You can add, you will get the form Prashastra. Pratipadikam, you will get Prashastra. But that trich is different, not Unadi trich. It is Ashtadhyayi trich. That declension will be Prashasta, Prashastaro, Prashastara. Prashastaram, Prashastaro, Prashastrun. Right? If it is Unadi Pratyanta Shabda, then it would be Prashasta, Prashastaro, Prashastaraha. Prashastaram, Prashastaro, Prashastrun. Understand?
Okay. So no Upada Dirgha there.
No pada dirghatva for prashastra shabda. Prashastra is unadi pratyanta shabda here. Okay. Understand?
No, then these shabdas are also Unadi Pratyas only, then, which are given here.
These
So
are
what-
unadi shabda. Yes, unadi pratyanta shabdas here. Yes.
So all are Unadi Pratyaya Shabdas, but which are mentioned in this sutra, they will have Dirgha. Other Unadi Pratyayantas will not have the Upada Dirgha.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
Okay.
Is it clear? And aptra alone, if you take, there is a word also aptra, vikaranta,
Yeah.
aptra, unadi shabda. So that will take dirghatam or not? That will not take dirghatam because this sutra doesn't mention aptra. In this sutra, it is only up,
Up is there.
aptra and trich. Up only is there, not aptra. So aptra, if you take it as a unadi shabda, that will not undergo dirghatam. Sravanamastane pratyaya pare. Understand?
Okay. Ji.
I hope it's clear, right? Suppose I give another word, mantra, mantra shabda. How do you decline? Mantra.
No Upada Dirgha there.
No. You have to ask. Mantra shabda. It is ashtadhyayista, trin pratyanta, atrish pratyanta shabda, or unadi shabda. What shabda is there? You have to ask, right?
Okay.
If it is unadi shabda, mantra, then manta, mantaro, mantara. Mantaram, mantaro. Sorry, mantaram, mantaro, mantra. If it is ashtadhyayista, trich pratyanta, then mandatu plus fourth gana, devadikana, mandatu plus trich pratyaya, you get mantra, then manta, mantaro, mantaraha, mantaram, mantaro, mantra, you will get. You understand? Okay. I will write here. This sutra, maybe I will add a note later and do some shabda. Here, anya pratyanta means ashtadhyayista. What anya? It is ashtadhyayista. Ashtadhyayista pratyanta shabdaha. So this sutra 6.4.11 can be divided into three parts. Number one is ashtadhyayista. I'm just taking ashtadhyayista. Trich Trinanta Shabdaha. This is number one. Will it take Dirghatam or not? Dirghatam Bhavati eva. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How you know? Because of the specification of the pratyaya in the sutra 6.4.11. Trin and trich is there, right? Those words. Then second one. Okay, first one I will write like this. That is the up shabda itself will undergo dirghatam. This is apaha. Up. Don't confuse with aptra. This is number one. Then number two, ashtadhyaya is the trin pratyanta shabda, right? Then number three. Number three, here only we have to divide this into two. Aunadika shabda. Aunadika, that is unadi. Or I will write unadi pratyanta. Unadi pratyanta shabda. We are all talking about trich and trin, so I remove this necessary. Ashtadhyaya is the shabda. Trich trin pratyanta shabda. Okay, that will be there. Unadi pratyanta shabda. Unadi trich trinanta shabda. I will make like this. Unadi trich trinanta shabdaha. upada dirghatvam bhavati va na bhavati. Have to see. Anya. Okay, unadi. What is the nanj of unadi? Anunadi. I hope you understand this. Anunadi. Not anunadi. Sorry. Anya, not anunadi. It's anyarte nanj. Anunadi means then other than unadi may take. Anya unadi. That you have to write like that. Anya unadi trich pratyanta. Okay. I can say anunadi, but you may think of anunadi means other than unadi. Anya, that other than this pratyaya. Okay. Anyway. Unadi trich trin anta shabda. So up shabda dirghatvam bhavati. Right? It is up shabda is there. Apaha form is there. Number 2. Ashtadhyayasta trich trinanta shabda dirghatvam bhavati. Yes. Kartru, dhatru, all shabda which are derived from the dhatu by the addition of nul trichau, that trich pratyaya or trin pratyaya, which is tachilate trin pratyaya. That is trich and trin. Third one is unadi trich trinanta shabda, which are listed in the sutra itself. Which are listed. That will undergo dirghatva, upada dirghatva. What about the other unadi trich trinanta shabda? Dirghatvam na dirghatvam. Dirghatvam na bhavati. So you can divide this into sutra for our understanding into these 4 types. Na bhavati. This is what the sutra says. Therefore, the naptra, neshtra, tvashtra, kshatra, hotra, potra, prashastra, udgatra is not included. We can add. And swasra also. Please note, swasra also. Okay.
Yeah.
The swasra shabda. Swasra is also, you have to include the swasra. Okay. Therefore, all these are, these upada dirghatvam bhavati eva, which are listed here. Right? Upada dirghatvam bhavati. Is it clear?
Then the last one is fourth
Yes, sir.
category.
Sorry?
Last one is fourth category. 0, 1, 2.
Other unadi pratyanta shabda, which, for example, I gave that fourth category here, fourth one. Other unadi trich trin pratyanta shabda. There are many other, as I said, mantra and aptra also. There is a word aptra, etc. Even bratra, jamatra, all those things are what? They are unadi shabda. They are all unadi shabda. Swasra also unadi shabda only, but swasra comes under this list. Therefore, dirghatvam bhavati. Swasara, swasara, swasaraha. Dugitra is comes under this category. Therefore, dugita, dugitarau, dugitaraha. Nru shabda comes under this category. Therefore, na narau, naraha. Nanandra, I think I told you. Nanandra comes under this category only. Nananda, nanandarau, nanandara. Is it clear?
Yes.
So divided this into 4. So then it will be clear. Any doubts? You follow what I am saying?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Ji, for me, I don't understand that well. Ashtadhyayi Trichtrin Shabdas are what are those Shabdas?
Trin pratyanta shabda, trich pratyanta shabda. Trich pratyaya, you know, trich pratyaya added to.
Unadi is also Trich and Trinanta.
But trich
The
pratyaya,
difference between second and third.
trich and trin, which are listed in the Ashtadhyayi. The pratyayas which are listed in the Ashtadhyayi, the trich and trin, those shabdas which take the Ashtadhyayi pratyaya, that will undergo dirghatvam. Whereas in unadi, words are there. You don't have to add, you cannot derive it. The words unadi shabda, trich, trin, and shabdas are listed there.
Okay.
Okay. There are unadi also kridanta only. Unadi shabdas also kridantas only. But they are listed in the unadi sutra pata. So there are, suppose if you take, there are example I'm saying, okay, 25 words are there. Trich, trinanta, unadi shabdas. Among them, the third category will undergo dirghatvam. Other words will not undergo. That's what it says.
Okay.
It's Ashtadhyayi, Satrich, Trinantis, that you can derive it. Any dhatu you take, you want to mention the karta of that, you can say Kru Dhatu Kartru, Da Dhatru Dhatru, Shas Dhatru Prashastru. I mean, pra upasarga, okay. Prashastru. Yes, but Prashastru is listed in the Sutra itself. Sutra also, not itself, Sutra also. That Prashastra, if it is Unadi Shabda, Upadirgutam na bhavati. If Prashastra is derived by adding Trich Pratyaya to Shas Shabda with pra upasarga, then Upadirgutam bhavati eva. Prashasta, Prashastaru. Okay, that's the difference. Pitra Shabda, no. Okay, you take Pitra Shabda. Pitra Shabda is what anta? It is Trichatrin. It is Trichatrin. We don't know. Is it derived by the addition of this Ashtadhyayi Pratyaya? No. Ashtadhyayi Pratyayas, these Pratyayas are added to the Dhatu. Whereas Pitra is Unadi Shabda. Doesn't denote the karta, the karta, right? That's why it's classified as familial noun base. Those words are listed in the Unadi. How the word Pitra comes. Unadi sutras are there. Unadi sutra, they will say this to this you add this pratyaya, trish pratyaya, you get this. Okay, Pitra, Matra. And those words are not listed in the sutra. Therefore, Upadirgatam na bhavati. Is it clear? So that's why you have to make this sutra into 4. And Aptra also, I said, that is also the word is Aptra. This is incidental, happens to be incidental information. Aptra, that also not listed. Therefore, Dirgatam na bhavati. So don't take the word as Aptra. It is not Aptra in the sutra. It is Apshabda.
Apshabda.
If you say Aptra, then what will happen to in other words, it will be hanging, right?
Yeah.
If it is Aptra, then what about Ntra? Nakara will be the problem. It is Up, Trin, Trich, Swastra, Naptra, Neshtra, like that. Okay. So Up itself is a Pratipadikam. Pratipadikam and followed by Swarnamasthana. Whereas Trin and Trich is Pratyagrahane, Tadanta Grahanam. Trin Anta, Trich Anta, Shabda. That refers to Ashtadhyayi. That is the words which are derived by the Trin Pratyaya of the Ashtadhyayi. Trin Pratyanta, Trich Pratyanta Shabda, referring the Karta, the doer of that Kriya. And Swasra, etc. These words are listed in the Unadi Pata. So those words will take Upadadhirgatvam. There are other words in the Unadi Sutra, Unadi Pata. That will not undergo Dirgatvam. That is the meaning. Okay.
Okay. Got it.
Okay, then. So therefore, when a word is given, you have to see. You cannot just go by familiar noun. Familiar noun base we know very well. It's not a problem. Suppose that's why I get the example. Mantra. If it is mantra, then how do you decline? Then you have to ask, is it Unadi Pratyanta Shabda or Ashtadhyayi Pratyanta Shabda? Mantra. Let us see. Mantra, the word is Unadi. Mantra. Oh, sorry. Just give me a minute. I'll just show you the sutra. Unadi Sutra. It is Manta Anturu. I'll show you just a minute. Chanda Pada Preparation. 173. Pratama Padaha, 73rd Sutra. 1.73. You can see this word 70. Sorry, 90. This is 26. What's some difference in the number? One is not 2.96. You can see here this 93. Trintrich Shamsi Kshadadibhyaha Sanyayam Cha Anitau. You see the sutra, right? Shamsehe Kshadadibhyascha Kramat Trintrichos Taha Tau Cha Anitau. You see the sutra?
Yes.
Do you see the sutra? Yes.
Yes, yes.
So yeah, this is Unadi. 2.93. Shamsta. This is one other word. Shamsta. Shamstri is a word.
Okay.
And the declension is Shamsta. Shamsta is Asambuddhi supare dirghatam bhavati eva. But when other than this Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows, dirghatam bhavati va. Shamstri. Now Shamsta, you know from that, you can know it is Vikaranta Shabdat. It is the Trich Pratyanta or Trin Pratyanta Shabda, you know, right?
Yes.
Now when you decline that, how do you decline? Shamsta.
Shamstaro.
Shamstaro, because this word is not
No,
listed
not
in
there.
6.4.11. Similarly, Stotra. Stotra will be Stota. Stotaram.
Tarau.
Stotaraha.
Staraha.
Similarly, Kshadihi. Sautra Dhatuku, Shakalikarane Bhakshaneva. From that only Kshatru. Kshatru. The word is there. Kshatru in the Sutra. 6.4.11.
It is there.
Therefore, Dirghatam Bhavati.
Bhavati. Okay.
Please note here, Dirghatam Bhavati. Kshatta, Kshattaru, because listed 6.4.11. Okay, then that's what Kshatta, Syat. Then, okay, now yes, Bagulam Anyatrapi, Trintrich, Man, that is Manta. From Manta we know, Manta Hanta. What is Manta Hanta? This is Unadi Shabda. Therefore, Manta, Mantarau, Mantaraha. Right? Mantaram, Mantarau, Mantrun. Similarly, Hanta, Hantarau, Hantaraha. Hantaram, Hantarau, Hantrun. Please note this is Unadi Shabda. Suppose if I say it is Ashtadhyahi Pratyanta Shabda, Trish Pratyanta Shabda, Mantra, then it would be
Dirgha will be there.
Manta, Mantaro, Manta, thinker, Mandatu. Similarly, Hantra is killer. Hanta, Hantaro, Hantara.
Antaraha.
That is different. This is different. Don't confuse. Okay. Next one you see. Naptra, Neshtra, Neshtra, Tvashtra, Hotra, Potra, Bratra, Jamatra, Matra, Pitra, Thukitra. All the words are listed here. Right? So these words are, some of the words are listed. Naptra is listed in the Sutra 6.4.11. Naptra, Neshtra, Tvashtra, Hotra, Potra, Bratra is not there. Jamatra not there. Matra, Pitra, all these are not there. So these words will, what will happen to these words which are listed in 6.4.11 will undergo Dirgha.
Dirgha. Okay.
Okay. What about this? This will not undergo. Which are not listed in 6.4.11, right?
Okay.
Is it clear? This is a, yeah. So you can note this. Maybe in my notes, I'll send you later. I will add all these things mentioning this Unadi Sutra. That is why I divided the sutra into these 4 points. This, if you understand the 4 points, it's okay. This 4. Okay. Up to also is there. I can show you, but okay. Anyway, not required now. We'll move on. This is some incidental point. This one as well as another point which I have to write. Dricha. Vikalpena, Shashti Bhakti Bhagavachanam, we have 2 forms.
2 forms, sir.
Okay. So 2 things I taught. One is Dricha. Second thing is this 6, 4, 11. These 4 points, if you remember, it is done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, the last class, then we saw the Saki Shabda. Just I'll explain certain things here. Saki Shabda. Anang Sau. The sutra says Sau. Asambuddhi Sau pare. Anadeshah bhavati. So therefore, Saki will become Sakan. Sakan plus Su. Then
Upadadi.
Sarvanamastane cha sambuddho.
Then
And Nalopaha Padipadikantasya. Su goes away, Alnyabhyam, then Nalopaha Padipadikantasya. That is the order. 6, 1, 6 state, and then 8, 4, sorry, 8, 2, 7. Okay.
Dvivachanam.
Then Asyam Prakriyaya, by this sutra, Sakyuhu, very specifically for Saki Shabda, Asambuddhau, where it is not followed by Sambuddhi, 7192 Ityarena, Supratyasya Nitva, Bhave, Satyapi, Nityatvat, Saranamastane, Asambuddhau, Saranamastane cha Sambuddhau, 6480 Ityanena, Upada Dirgatam Bhavati, Atopadayaha, 72116 Ityanena, Na. Sambodhana ekavachanasya supratyaya pare asya sutrasya prasaktihi eva nasti yataha asmin sutre asambuddha viti anuvartate ataha asya munishabdavat eva engarasvat sambuddhehe ityarena angasya gunadeshe krate esaketi rupam siddhyati. Do you follow or understand this? Did I explain this in the last class?
Yes. In other class you told, sir.
So other class you told.
Not this one. Not okay.
Oh.
Other class, but the last class where did we say all those things? Okay. First, Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam we have done, right? Saki Shabdasya, Sau Parataha, Anangiti Ayam Adeshah Bhavati. What Sau? It is Asambuddhi Sau. Therefore, you get Anadesha. Anang is, sorry, not Anang is Nitvat Antyadesha. All those you can follow, right?
Yes.
Gitadesha will come at the end, right? Even though the Adesha is Anekala Adesha, Nitvat Antyasya Sthane eva bhavati, natu Sarvasya Sthane. Up to that you understand, right? All of you.
Yes, Ji.
Yes.
Okay. From here, Sanskritam it is written. Sumati ji told you, this in Sanskritam not able to follow. So, right.
No, we suddenly could see the change currently. I know we need to upgrade ourselves.
Okay, I will explain that. Asyam Prakriyayam, by this sutra, Sakyuhu Asambuddhau 7192 Ityanena Supratyasya Nitvabhave Satyapi Nityatvat Sarvanamastane cha Asambuddhau. This is explained later. Okay, here also will explain what it is. First, you tell me what you understand. Sakyuhu Asambuddha Vityanena Supratyasya Nitvabhave Satyapi Nityatvat Sarvanamastane cha Asambuddha Vityanena Upada Dirgha Bhavati Atopadayaha 72116 Ityanena Na. What does it mean? Then you have to go back and see. Here, Upada Dirgatam Bhavati, right? Sakan. After Anangadesha, Saki E is replaced by Anangadesha, that is An. Then Asambuddhi Saupare, Kim Bhavati?
Upada Dirgatam Bhavati.
Sarvanamastane.
Sarvanamastane cha Sambuddho, not by.
By 648, right? The question comes, why not by that Sakyuhu Asambuddha? Sakyuga Asambuddha, what is Sakyuga Asambuddha says? That first you have to know. What does it say?
Nitvam.
Nitvam
Nitvat bhavati.
Nitvat bhavati. That is that Sarvanamasthane pratyaya pare. Sarvanamasthana pratyas enjoy the status of being a nitva. What is the Sakyuga 7192, right?
Yes.
Anyway, sutra is later, it comes, but just here. Saki Shabdad Vigitaha Asam Buddhi Vachakaha Sarvanamasthana pratyaya nitvat bhavati. It will be deemed to be nit. It means nitva. Yani karyani bhavati. Nitvat. I mean, what do you call it?
At
Tani
vriddhi,
karani bhavati eva. Right? Vriddhi,
Vriddhi.
upadadhirgatvam.
upadad,
Those karyas will happen for asambuddhi vachaka sarvanamasthana pratyaya pare also. That's what it says, right? Then su out, just out will happen. For that will also happen. That is the idea, meaning. Okay, now. Last class I told another class, but I will correct that. Please see, watch. That's what. That's on catch. One small thing is I didn't tell that. Nitva bhave, nitvam bhavati. Sarvanamasthana pratyaya enjoy the status of being a nit and nitvat. What are the karyas supposed to happen? Achongiti sutrena. Yani karyani bhavati. Tani api bhavati. Sarvanamasthana pratyaya pare api bhavanti eva. That is the idea, right? Now here the question comes. Sarvanamasthane cha asambuddhav. This sutra 648 and Ataupadayaha Dirgaha 72116. These two sutras have applicability here. Yes or no? Ataupadayaha says
upadad dirgat.
what upada?
Akara,
Rasva akarasya
Rasva akarasya will undergo dirgha.
upada will undergo.
Dirga, it is vriddhi. It is vriddhi actually. We use dirga. It's not really dirga, it is vriddhi. Anyway, both means A is dirga as well as vriddhi. The context of that is not a problem, but sutra is what? Vriddhi, not dirga, right?
Yeah.
Atopadayaha vriddhi. Vriddhi or dirga? What happens? Atopadayaha.
So, Vriddhi.
Vriddhi. Vriddhi adesha bhavati, right? That's all Angakarya. Angakarya is what will happen? Vriddhi only, right? Here, I mean, 72115. 72115, Achongiti, then Atopadayaha vriddhi bhavati. That's okay. In our here, in this context, it's not a problem because A is vriddhi or dirga, it's going to be A only, right? It's same, therefore it's not a problem. But in other cases, it may be a problem. If it is other varna, other ikshabda, I mean, other bubble, if it is E or U, then it is not same. Vriddhi is E and guna of E is A. They are not same. Okay, anyway, Atopadayaha vriddhi. Sarvanamasthane cha asambuddhav dirgaha. Okay. Upada dirgatvam bhavati by Sarvanamasthane cha asambuddhav and Atopadayaha vriddhi. Now, which one will apply? When these two sutras find application here, when supratyaya pare Sarvanamasthane cha asambuddhav by that sutra upada dirgatvam bhavati nitvat Atopadayaha dirgatvam Atopadayaha vriddhi bhavati. 72116. Now, two sutras find application here. So, which one you will apply? The question comes, right?
Yes.
When two sutras, and there are two sutras also doing the same job here also. So, now which one you will apply? He says, Asyam prakriyayam Sakyuhu asambuddha vityanena supratyaya nitva bhave satyapi. Even though supratyaya enjoy the status of being a nit satyapi, sati saptami. Nityatvat, what nitya? Nitya, the sutra is 648 is nitya, nityatva, nitya sutra. Nityanena upada dirga bhavati, ata upadayaha iti sutrena na bhavati. So, dirga, that is, upada dirgatvam happens only by 648, upada vriddhi. Upada vriddhi means the same, in our context, it's A becomes A. That doesn't happen by 72116. Now, the question should come. When two sutras find application, simultaneous application, which one you will apply generally?
Paratvat.
Parasur.
Which one you will apply?
Parasur. Parasur.
Atopadayaha we have to apply because of Parasutram.
Vipratishede. Param Karyam.
Param Karyam.
Karyam.
By that sutra, by that paribhasha, it's a sutra come paribhasha. Paribhasha sutra, right?
Yeah.
By that Ashtadhyaya is the paribhasha it is. That paribhasha given in the Ashtadhyaya. Yupratishere Param Karyam. Therefore, 72116 must be applied. But we don't apply that. We apply 648. Why? The reason is Nityatvat. A2 is given. Nityatvat. Now, what is Nityam? The question comes, right? What is this Nitya? Nitya, Anitya, etc. Okay. I will explain other lines. We'll read that little later. Now, come here. The Nityatvam, here one paribhasha, one is mentioned here. You can see here. Purva para Nitya, Nityantaranga. Nityantaranga. Okay. Nityantaranga. Nityantaranga apavadana uttarottaram baliyaha. Purva. Then para. Then Nitya. Then Antaranga.
Antaranga.
Then Apavadhanam Uttarottaram Baliyaha. This is what the sutra, right? That sutra, paribhasha. Where is this paribhasha? It is not in the sutra. Sutra Pata. It is in the Paribhashendu Shekhara, written by Nagoji Bhatta. In that Paribhasha, Paribhashendu Shekhara, this paribhashas are there. I mean, this paribhasha is there are a lot of paribhashas. One of the paribhasha is this. In fact, I told other paribhashas, some of the paribhashas, no, which are not in the Sutra Pata, but we have seen. Those are in the Paribhashendu Shekhara. So this is this sutra, this paribhasha says, compared to the Pura Sutra, Parasutra is Uttarottara means what? Consecutive, successive is stronger. Compared to the preceding one, the succeeding one is stronger. Compared to Pura Sutra, Parasutra is stronger. Compared to Parasutra, what is stronger?
Nitya.
Nitya, the sutra which is Nitya is stronger. Compared to Nitya, which is stronger? Antaranga. Like this Angakarya Andal Antaranga, Sandhikarya is, compared to Antaranga, it is Bhagiranga. After Angakarya only you do Sandhikarya. Can you do it before? No, right? You know, this simple logic we know. Bhu plus how you get Bhavati? Bhu becomes Bo, right? Then only you do Bhu plus Shap. Shap will do Ayadi Sandhi, right? You cannot Bhu plus Shap, you cannot do Yan Sandhi. Shap is Sarvadhataka Shit Pratyaya, therefore Angasya Gunaha Bhavati, Bhu become Bo, and then you do it, right? So Angakarya is stronger, that is Antaranga. After the only Sandhikarya, that Bhagiranga we do, right? Then compared to Antaranga, Apavada is stronger. So for Apavada is always stronger. That is why always we say Apavada over rules, all the other rules. Now, we are interested here. Parasutra is 72116, Atopadayaha Vriddhihi. And 648 is Nitya Sutra. Therefore, compared to Para, Nitya is stronger. By that, 648 will apply. Now, how you say 648 is Nitya? How you say 648 is Nitya? Now, if you see, Ata Upadayaha Vriddhihi, suppose you apply this first. Ata Upadayaha Vriddhihi. 72116 you apply. Then what will happen to this Sakan plus Su? Saki Shabda ordained Anangadesha. It becomes Sakan. I hope you all following. Okay, I'm just saying. I'm not showing that. Sakan
Yes.
plus Su. Then what, by applying Ata Upadayaha Vriddhihi, what will happen to Sakan?
Sakhan only will come.
It will become Sakan, right?
Yeah.
After that, can we apply 648? Sarvanamastane Chasam Nuddho. If you apply, what will happen? Suppose if you apply. What will happen, Ganesh?
No.
Already Dirgha has come.
Nothing will happen.
Dirgha is there. Dirghasya sthane Dirgha Adesha Bhavati. What's the problem? Dirghasya sthane Dirgha Adesha Bhavati. We have done that many times before. That's called Parjanya Lakshana Parjanya Nyaya, no? Parjanyavata, Parjanya Lakshana Vritti it is. Parjanya means the rain is there, the rain,
Cloud.
rain, instead of the rain falling on the barren lands, that it falls on the ocean itself. Ocean is already has got a lot of water and is wet. Or the land which is already wet. So wetting the land again by further rain. That is called Parjanya Lakshana Vritti. Okay, even though it is watery, the area or the pond or the ocean, whatever, again raining. So the rain, right? That's what it means. So even though it is Dirgha, replace Dirgha by the Akara by Akara. Can apply, right? Okay, now suppose if you apply Sarva Namasthani Asambuddha first, 648, then what will happen to Sakan plus 2?
Sakhan.
It becomes Sakan plus 2. Now can you apply Atopadaya? Yes. Can you apply Atopadaya? Atopadaya requires a condition.
No.
The Upada must be Rasva.
Yeah, Agresva Akara.
Where is Rasva here? No more Rasva. So
Mm.
Atopadaya cannot be applied. After the application of Atopadaya Vriddihi, Sarvanamastanecha Asambuddha can be applied, not a problem. But after the application of Sarvanamastanecha Asambuddha, Atopadaya Vriddihi finds no application. Therefore, which is Nitya?
Sarvanamastanecha Asambuddha.
Therefore, that is stronger. That is why we apply that here. It's the logic. Okay. In the other class, I think I don't know what I told, but this is what the reason is. Okay. I don't know what I told. Okay. If I told the same.
Same only you said.
Okay. Yes. Okay. If the same, this is the reason. Therefore, only what we do here, we apply. This is what is written here. Asyam prakriyayam sakhigu asambuddhau atyarena ityarena pratyasya nitya nitvabhave satyapi nityatvat. Which is Nitya? This Sarvanamastane Asambuddha is Nitya Sutra. So, irrespective of the other sutra applied or not, this sutra always applied. That sutra which is always applicable is called Nitya Sutra. So, when it is Nitya, then Paratvam is overruled. Even though Atopadaya is Parasutra, that is overruled by this sutra. Why? Because Parasutra is Anitya. After the application of 648, you cannot apply 72116. That doesn't find any application because there is no Rasva Akara. Only if it is there, only Vriddhi will happen, right? But that itself is not there. How Vriddhi will happen? Therefore, that will not apply. Is it clear?
Okay. Yeah.
That is what written. Now you understand, Subhati in Sanskritam, what is written.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. You can write your notes later. Just I copied pasted. I'm not doing Sanskritam. Sanskritam translation I do only for the Vritti, the main sutra. The main sutra, if I have translation or I copy the translation from Basu. Okay.
Sir,
Whatever.
so this Prakriya Sakyura Sambuddha Vityana Supratyasya, that is okay. This Nitvad Bhava will come for all the Sarvanamastana, no?
Exactly, yes.
But Saupare, we are not applying that sutra, no, actually. Only how Jas and other Sarvanamasthana, we are using that Nidvad Bhava. But we are not using that in first Ekavachana, Saupare, we are not using that, no. Actually, it will apply there also.
It will apply that Sarvanamastana Asambuddha overrules Nityatvat.
Okay.
That's what we are saying, right? Sarvanamastana Asambuddha, it overrules that.
No, that this is Ataupadaya, we are discussing.
See, okay, what is that? Okay, you understand your question. I will ask you another question, you answer. Okay, what is the condition for applying 648?
Sarvanamasthani Sambuddha. It should be in the Sarvanamasthana.
Applied to what? Applied to what?
1 1.
Asambuddhi.
Asambuddhi. So
Applied to what?
Pratipadika. It will.
What? Applied to what?
Anga.
No. Apply to what means apply to what? You have to tell. Anang Adesha Krita Saki Shabda, right? Once you add Anang, it becomes Nakaranta Shabda. Naupadayaka is understood, right? Nakarasya Upadayaka.
Okay.
Where is Nakara? Nakara is there in other Sarvanamastana Pratyaya 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2. Not there. Therefore, why do you apply there? You cannot apply at all. Not why do you apply? You cannot apply at all. Saki plus how, what will happen? Where is Nakara there? Is Nakara is there in Saki? No. Saki plus how? Nitvat, Saki will become Sake. Then Ayadi Sandhi, Sakayo. Understand? Why we apply this Sutra 648 is because it's a Nakaranta Shabda, becomes a Nakaranta Shabda because of the Adesha, Anadesha, Anangadesha.
That is okay. But in Saki, how if we take Saki plus of Sakyura Sambuddha 7192, so because of this Nidvat Bhava will come. The same thing, why it is not happening to Saki plus Su, I'm asking actually.
Saki plus? Saki plus? No, I'm not getting it.
See, Saki plus Au, first thing is what we are doing 7192, that is Sakyura Sambuddha. By this Nidvat Bhavaha will come, and then Achoniti will come, etc. We will do. Why this step is not written for Saki plus first Ekavachana, this thing, why it is not?
Why Nitvat Baba is not given to Su? That's what your question is, right?
Correct, Ji.
That is what we discussed now. Nityatva, that sutra will not apply. This sutra only will apply.
But
for the application of 72116, Nitvat Baba is required, right?
Okay.
We don't apply at all. Then what is the, whether Nitya or not, what does it matter to us?
So
even though it says, even though it enjoys the status of being Nit, still we don't apply 72116 because 648 is Nitya. That's why we applied that. So let it be Nit or Anit. Doesn't matter. This applies 648.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
That is what we are discussing here. Okay. So is Nit only. No doubt. After Nit. Then after Nit, then the question comes. Now these two sutras are there, 648, 72116. Which one will apply?
Okay. So it will become by this sutra, Nidvat Bhava will come, but after that, which one we have to apply, that we are thinking and applying.
Exactly.
Okay.
The question of applying 72116 comes only when it enjoys Nitva status. When that is not there, we cannot compare these two sutras at all, right?
Okay.
How can we compare the two sutras which are entirely different? Because we ordained Nitvam to the Sarvanamastana Pratyaya, therefore only 72116 finds application.
Yeah.
Otherwise, no. So if 72116 also is applicable, then question comes, which one will apply? For Asambuddhi Saupare, 648 or 721. There what is 648 is Nitya, therefore it overrules 72116, though it enjoys Nitya status.
Okay. So that's what that Nitva status is there in Su also.
Su also it is there.
Okay.
That is why we compare. Otherwise, I only compare the two sutra. This is Nitya, that is Anitya.
Yeah. For Ata Upadaya to happen, Nidvat Bhava should be there.
Should be there. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now I got it.
Is it clear? Yeah.
This thing is not come there, no? Nidvat Bhava has come because in the sentence it is there in Asambuddhi Vachaka Sarvanamasthana means all the pratyayas which are in Sarvanamasthana will get a Nidvat Bhava. But this to compare, we have to compare two sutras. That is done by default. That Nidvat Bhava is there in Su also.
Is there also, yes.
Okay. Okay, I got it now.
Okay, all of you understand, right? Now this must be clear, I think. Nitya, Anitya. Then Sambodhana, Sambodhana Ekavachanasya Supratyaya Pare, Asya Sutrasya Prasaktihi Nasti, Kasya Sutrasya Ataupadayaha. Sambodhana Ekavachanasya. Sambodha Ekavachana Sutra se Prasakti Ataha Yasmin Sote Asambuddha Viti Anuvartate. which is not applicable sambodhana ekavachanasya supratyaya pade asya sutrasya kasya sutrasya sarvanamastane
Sarvanamastanasya asambuddha.
asambuddha, because asambuddhi says, therefore 648 will not apply. Then what will apply?
Rasvasya gunaha and yang
The
rasa.
name
That's what sambuddhi.
No, nitvam is there, right? By nitva, what do you do? Saki, okay. Saki will become Saki will
Sakai.
be, huh?
Sakai. Vriddhi will have.
Then after that, Yengarasvad asambuddhehe Sakai.
We don't do that, no, Shanji.
Sorry.
To Sakhi, we add Rasvasya gunaha, no?
Yeah, Rasvasya gunaha, what is the number? It is
73108.
yeah, there paratvam is applied. Yes, even though nitvam is there, parasutram. Sorry, yeah, even though nitvat, parasutram is applied. Sake plus so is Rasvasya gunaha, then yang rasvat asambuddhehe by 6169 applies. Yes. So there you see this sambodhana supratyaya paryasya sutrasya prasakti ki nasti ataha muni shabdavat yengarasvat sambuddhehe he has given 6169 iti sutrena gunadeshe krite ye sake iti rupam. After that yengarasvat sambuddhehe iti anena yengarasvat 6169 and 6169 is
The sakara will drop.
that is
Yeah.
okay. Then
and the sutra itself sakyuhu asambuddho is there, therefore that nidvat bhava will not
But
come in.
not happen, will not
Not
happen
apply.
in 8-1, yeah.
yes, will not happen. Sakyidu asambuddha only ever. Therefore, vriddhi will not happen. And here, yengarasva sambuddhehe iti angasya, but this sutra does also lopa only, right? 6169.
Yeah, okay.
That is, you have to
Yes, sir.
correct it. It's a
Yeah,
mistake there. I copied, pasted from the website only. So you have to mention that here, Rasvasya gunaha sutrena gunadeshe krute anantaram yengarasva sambuddhehe sulopaha bhavati.
Sulopaha.
मुनि शब्दवत्येव अतः अस्य मुनि शब्दवत्येव रस्वस्य रस्वस्य गुणः number is
6169. I'm sorry, 73108.
Yeah.
73108 इति सूत्रेण गुणादेशे कृते 73 इति सूत्रे गुणादेशे कृते अनन्तरं येङ्गरस्व सम्बुद्धेः इति अनेन अङ्गस्य इति अनेन अङ्गस्य एसके इति रूपं सिद्ध्यति. That's it. Okay. मुनिशब्दवति एव अस्य अतः अस्य मुनिशब्दवति एव रस्वस्य गुणः इति सूत्रेण गुणादेशे कृते अनन्तरं येङ्गरस्व सम्बुद्धेः इति अनेन अङ्गस्य एसके इति रूपं सिद्ध्यति. Yes. First is 73108 and 6169. Here, therefore, here some sambuddhi is there, therefore nitvam also not applied. Asakidu asambuddha, sarvanavasthane cha asambuddha also. So both are not applied. Therefore, asvasya gunaha will apply. You can note.
It is 8-1 only, but it is Sarvanamastane. But since it is Asambuddho,
Yes.
it is Sambuddho, yeah, then we say.
Therefore, doesn't enjoy nitvam. Therefore, 72116 will not apply. I'm not writing all those things. You can
yes, sir.
have your notes. This is all written in Sanskritam. You can follow. That's why I left it as it is.
Okay.
Okay. Now you see Saki plus, so becomes Saka, right? Okay. In fact, this sutra could have been written before. Anyway, Saki Asambuddha, the Nitvam. The question of Nitvam comes in the previous sutra itself. That's what this sutra could have been written before. Anyway, but you understand, I already explained. So,
Yes.
if you say Saki Asambuddha means you have to start with the pratyaya, not with su. Right? So, we are going that order. Therefore, su is first done. And Asambuddha, I mean, au is later. Saki Asambuddha, yaha Saki Shabdaha tasmat paran sarvanamasthanam nitvat bhavati. Okay, then Saki plus au, nitvat, angasya, Vriddhi Adeshaha, Achoniti for Sakai, then Ayadi Sandhi. Some noise is about it.
Sorry.
Saki plus just, then Bhagavachana Pratyaya. Saki, just Pratyaya Pare, Saki Asambodhaviti Sutra, Nitvat Bhavati, then Achongiti Sutra, Vriddhi, then Echoyavayavaha, Sakayaha. Saki plus this also will become this Sravanamastana Pratyaya. Therefore, Saki Asambuddha Sutra, Nitvam.
Buddha, then
Okay.
Achoniti,
Yes. Then
then Echo Ayavaya.
Echoyavayavaha. This is 192. Six 178. Sakayam. Then Su is Pratama Ekavachanasya. What is this? Saki Shabdasya Pratama Ekavachanasya Pratyaya Pare Su Asya Sutrasya Avakashe Prapte Api Sarvanamastane Cha Sambuddhaviti Asya Nityatva Tasya Prayoga Bhavati. Already we have seen this. Okay. This is what in the last class I think. In the other class I explained this. Asyam Avastaya Sarvanamastane Cha Sambuddhaviti Anena असंबुद्ध सर्वनामस्थाने परे नकारांत संघस्य उपदा दीर्घः भवति आकारः प्राप्नोति तथा सख्युः असंबुद्धविति सुप्रत्ययस्य नित् अतिदेशे कृते एक्सटेंडेड नित्वं तु सर्वनामस्थान प्रत्यय अत उपदायाः इति अङ्गस्य उपदावर्णस्य वृद्धिः भवति तद् आल्सो आकारः. Now only question comes which one will apply. Therefore only we saw which is nitya will apply. अत्र एताभ्यां सूत्राभ्याम् अत उपदायाः इति अस्ति इत्यस्य अपेक्षया सर्वनामस्थाने च असंबोधयति सूत्रं नित्यम् अस्ति. From the standpoint of 72116, 648 is nitya. That is, after the application of 72116, 648 will apply. That's what is nityam. यतः अस्य सूत्रस्य प्रयोगः अत उपदायाः इति अस्मात् अनन्तरं भवितुम् अर्हति. कस्य सूत्रस्य? 648. 648 finds application after the application of 72116. That doesn't, it's not denied, right? परंतु सर्वनामस्थाने च असंबोधविति अस्य प्रयोगं कुर्मः चेत् अतः अतोपदायाः वृद्धिः इति अस्य सूत्रस्य अवकाशः नश्यति एव, right? Therefore, which is nitya? It's very clearly written. You all follow the Sanskrit here. This simple language only.
Yeah, after you explained it.
But you have to, after maybe a month you will forget again. So you write it.
Yeah, that's what.
Again, you will think, what is nitya? Why this is not applied? This question will come. So you can make a note in English. Or you want me to write it here? Okay. So I will write it in English so that becomes a note. That is, I just write like this. After the application of 72116, after, okay, 641, 648. After the application of 648, since there will not be rasva at upada, right? 72116 cannot apply. Whereas after the application of 72116, 648 can be applied. Here only you can say Parjanya Vata, Parjanya Lakshana Vrata, Parjanya Lakshana, Parjanya Lakshana. You can apply. Like that we have done in many places. In Tripadi, what we do? In Tripadi, we follow the sequence, right?
Yeah, sequentially.
Even though Jash is there, but still what we do? Jalam Jash we apply, right? Already Jalam Jashante, Jash is the Jashto number 1 we apply. Still Jashto number 2, why do we apply? There we follow the sequence, therefore you have to apply, right? That's the sequence. But what is Jash and Jashtam number 2 just, same just only. Similarly here also, 648 can be applied, but here it is denied after the application of 642. Therefore, what is Nityam? Therefore, from the standpoint of 72116, six four eight is Nityam. Nityatvat tasya prasaktihi bhavati. That's what here is said. This is paribhasha, you can note. Purva para nityantaranga apavadanam uttarottaram baliyahanaya paribhashaya nitya sutrasya eva prayogaka kriyate atra. This must be clear now, right? Yes. Then
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why this is repeated 2 times? This is repeated again. Yeah, okay, let it be there, fine. Jnatavyam. Anena sutrena saki shabdat parasya sarvanamastana sanyaka pratyaye nit gunasya aropanam bhavati. Ataha etat sutram atidesha sutram namna jnayate. What sutram? It's atidesha sutra sakyuga sambuddha. It is extended to do the karya which a nit pratyaya will do, right? Therefore, this is atidesha sutra. Anyatulyatva vidhanam atidesha iti atideshasya vyakya. This is a atidesha definition. Already we have seen in Ashtadhyayi Pravesha in the beginning itself what the definition of atidesha. Anyatulyatva vidhanam. Anya sutra, like similar to the other sutra. Similar to the other sutra, it's vidhanam that it is ordained. Vidhanam atideshaha. Tulyatva vidhanam. Vidhanam is vidhi. Vidhi is similar to that of the another one. So that is atidesha. Asmin sutre shashthyantam padam nasti ataha ube nirdishti. Okay. Kasmin sutre sakyuhu asambuddho. I think that is sutra we are discussing. Sakyuhu asambuddho. You can see it. Sakyuhu what vibhakti? Sakyuhu asambuddho.
Shashti.
Panchami.
No, Panchami, right?
Panchami. Panchami is
And
Sambuddha
Sambuddha is Saptami.
Saptami.
The Nitvam is said. So to what will come? Panchami and Saptami is there. Ube nidishte, Panchami.
Bajami Baliya.
Baliya.
That is also Paribhasha, not Ashtadhyayi is the Paribhasha. It is Paribhashendu Shekhara Paribhasha. It is there in the Paribhashendu Shekhara. Sakhi Shabda, okay, here. Sakyuha is Panchami and this is Saptami. Therefore, Ube nidishte Panchami Baliya. Therefore, which will get Nitvam? Sakhi Shabda or Pratyaya? One is Prakriti, that is Pradipadikam, other one is Pratyaya, Supratyaya. So which will be ordained Nitya? Ube nidishte Panchami Baliyan. Panchami will retain.
Saptami will become like Sashti.
Yeah.
Sthani.
So Saptami Shashtivat Bhavati.
Yeah.
Right? So therefore, Ube nidishte Panchami Baliyan iti paribhashaya. Therefore, Atra Saptami nidishta shabdaha sthaninaha karyam karoti. Saptami will be treated to be sthani. So karyam karoti. Ataeva nit gunaha sarvanamasthanasya bhavati. Sakhi shabdasya na. Okay. Not for Sakhi shabda, only for sarvanamasthana pratyaya. Not for the prakriti, right? Then Vartamana Sutrena Sakish Ityasya Angasya Vriddhim Krutva. After Vriddhi it becomes Aikaranta. Saki becomes I. Yasmat Paraha, when I comes, Pratamayogo Purva Savaranaha, can you apply? Saki is Ikaranta Shabda, right? It's not, it is like, I mean, it looks like Ari Shabda. But an Ari Shabda, what we do? Ari plus Au is? Ari plus Au?
We use Pratamayoho Purva Savarna.
Pratamayogo Purva Savarna. Ari. Can you apply here? You cannot apply. Why? Once you do Vriddhi, Nitvat Vriddhi Bhavati Sakai, therefore Pratamayogo Purva Savarna will not apply. Jasicha will not apply. Jasicha, what does it? Jasicha does. Hari becomes Are Gunaha Bhavati,
Are,
right?
are guna bhavati, guna adesha, then
After that, Ayadi Sandhi.
Ayadi
Jasicha.
Sandhi.
Jasicha is Gunaha. You can remember, Rasvasi Gunaha all comes there only, right?
Hmm.
So Jasicha. That also will not apply. What about Amipurva? That also will not apply. When Am comes, what will happen to Saki? Saki will undergo Vriddhi. Sakai. So Amipurva, when do you apply? Ak Varna Tuttarasya Amipare. When followed, when Ak is followed by Am only. Where is Saki here? It becomes I. Therefore, all the sutras will not apply. Eteshu kasyapi prasaktihi eva nasti. Okay. So Saki plus Au. Saki becomes Sakai, then Echoyavayavaha. 7192, 72115, that is Angakarya. 7192 extends the Nittam to the Sranavasana Pratyaya, and therefore the Angakarya corresponding to that will happen, followed by Sandhikarya. So this is an example for Antaranga and Bhagiranga. This is Antaranga. Angakaryas are Antaranga. Sandhikaryas are Bhagiranga. So Bhagiranga Karya comes later, right? Then Saki plus Jas. Jasicha cannot be applied. Therefore, Saki Asambuddho, then Ata Padaya Avriddhihi, then Echoyavayavaha. Similarly, the same for Am also. Same for Out also. What will happen to Saki plus Shas? Here, this doesn't enjoy Nitvam. Therefore, we can apply Prathama Yoga Purva Savarnaha.
Yeah, Prathamaya. Yeah.
After that, in fact, Tasma Chaso Nafumsi.
Tasmat
Machaso nafumsi.
That will apply. Okay. Nakara will come. Saki plus Ta, N Sandhi.
Only
Yeah,
Sandhi.
yeah, it's all very simple. So only Prathama Vibhakti, that is only Saranavasthana Pratyaya Pare, you have to be careful. What happens, you have to know. Other things are just join. Only joining and N Sandhi. Khyat Parasya, this is another important sutra. Kya and Tya, two. So Kya means it is ordained. But Yen Adesha has come. That's how we have to understand. Yen Adesha Krite. Kya also, Yen Adesha Krita, Ti Antasya. Here, Kya is Yen Adesha Krita, Saki Shabdasya. Saki only we have this word. So, Tasya, what will happen? Ngasi Ngas Pratyasya, when followed by Ngas and Ngas, that Tasya Akarasya, Ukaraha Adesha Bhavati. So, Ngasi and Ngas is 5-1 and 6-1. So, Ngasi plus Ngas, what will happen? Ngasi plus Ngas. So, Saki will become Angakarya will happen. Sorry, Sandhikarya will happen.
Sandhika, Sakshi.
Yeah, Ki or Ki. So, therefore, Sandhikarya will become, it becomes Kya. So, Kya, after that, Ngas Tasya Sthane, Ngasi Ngaso go, Ukara Hadesha Bhavati. Ukara comes in the place of both or where?
Ekal.
Ekal, so.
Therefore,
Akarasya sthane.
Akarasya. So, by what paribhasha? Aspratyasya, not Antya. It is Ade.
Okay.
Oh,
Therefore, 61112. I think I mentioned here. Where is that? Shashti Karaha Adesha Bhavati. Here you can directly do. Panchami is there. And therefore, Parasya is there. Therefore, Tasmaditi Uttarasya eva Bhavati. And Uttarasya Sarvasya Sthaneva or first Adehe Parasya.
Adeh Parasya.
So, Tasmaditi Uttarasya, by that sutra, you know what is Adesha. Sorry, what is Sthani. Right? Sthani is identified as that which follows. So, Sthani is Yanadesha Krita Saki Shabdasya Parasya Yahavartate. That is what Sthani is. What is that? Pratyaya. That which follows the Yanadesha Krita Saki Shabda. What follows? Pratyaya only follows. Right? Therefore, Pratyaya is the Sthani. Now, Sthani is Anekal. And Ukara Adesha is ordained. Ukara is Ekal. So, can you do Now here, can you do Antyadesha? No. Tasmaditi Uttarasya, by that paribhasha, therefore, what will happen? Adehe Parasya, right? The first letter of that alone will be replaced. Is it clear?
Okay. So both are paribhashas. Tasmadityuttarasya and
Tasmaditi Uttarasya, we know that is
Yeah, that way. But
where the sthani is, you have to find out, right?
hmm.
Tasmad Anantaram, Tasmaditi Uttarasya, when that paribhasha is there, then Pratama Varnasya sthane eva bhavati, Adehe Parasya paribhashaya, right? When a sutra is ordained by, after this, it will come, means after that, what comes is sthani. Sthani is eka, no problem. If it is anekal, then you have to apply Adehe Parasya. First letter of that will be replaced by Ukara, right? That's what it does. The sutra this is by the sutra Kyat Parasya 61112. Okay, let me read. Sanskritam, I hope you follow. Ki or ki ityasma shabdat yanadeshe krute praptaha yaha ye shabdaha tata cha ti or ti ityasma yanadeshe krute tya tasmat parasya panchami ekavachanasya ngasi pratyasya tata cha shashti ekavachanasya ngasi pratyasya akarasya ukaraha adesh bhavati. Akara is the first letter that is replaced by ukara. See, tasmat iti uttarasya means that sthani which follows the word which is mentioned in Panchami, right? So Kyat Parasya. So sthani is identified by the paribhasha Tasmadit Uttarasya. Now, sthani happened to be Ngasi or Ngas, Aneka sthani. Then what paribhasha will apply? Will you replace the entire, or you will replace the last, or you will replace the first? Question comes, right? Then you have to apply a paribhasha. What paribhasha you have to apply? Why not last? Suppose, why not last? Generally, we apply along this year. Adeghe Parasya, Sutra is paribhasha is Ashtadhyaya is the paribhasha that you have to apply. First letter of it is not mentioned in here, the write-up, I think. The last class we read this. It's not given, but you can note. Okay. Then Ukara Adesha will come. After that, join Sakyuhu, you get Sakyuhu. Similarly, Ti Shabda is for Pati Shabda. So that also we covered, Patihu. Right? That's the difference between Pati Shabda and other Ikaranta Shabda, Hari Shabda. Then Saki plus Os, what will happen? Yanadesh, the Yansandi. Saki plus Am, Rasvanadhyat, that's a Rasvanadhyapo, Nuttakama Bhavati, Nut Krutva, then Nami Pare,
Nami Pare.
you apply
That's
that.
Sakina.
Sakina. Okay. So Nami Pare. Here also, I think we saw something. Nami Pare Upada Vruddhihi. What is that? And, one more thing we saw. Nami Pare. Upada Dirgatvam by Nami. Something is there. I forgot. I think last class we have discussed this. Another sutra also comes. What is that sutra? Nami. Sorry?
4-3, huh?
643.
I've written 6.
Sorry?
Nami only, sir.
Name only, sir.
Yeah, Nami only.
Yeah, Nami only. Nami, I mean, Nami Pare, Nami Saptami, therefore, Parasaptami, therefore I said Nami Pare. Sutra is not Nami Pare.
It's Nami only.
Nami.
Sutra is Nami only. I just said Nami Pare. No, I'm thinking another sutra also finds application. That's Nami only will apply, sir. I remember.
That is in Stri Shabda you were telling, no? That one Striyam and Strinam, like that you are telling. Other class, Ashtadhyayi class you were telling.
Okay, I forgot what is it. Anyway, so Nami Pare Angasya Dirgatvam Bhavati. Then out also we have seen. Out is id udbhyam uttarasya ngehe. Ngehe is what vibhakti? Saptami.
Yeah.
Okara adyasha bhavati. So इकारान्त उकारान्त शब्दात् परसिङि प्रत्ययस्य औत् आदेशः भवति सर्वेभ्यः इकारान्त उकारान्त परसिङि प्रत्ययस्य औत् आदेशः भवति औत् इत्यस्य केवलं तकारः उच्चारणार्थः आदेशरूपेण औ वर्णः आगच्छति संस्कृतम् is hope it's simple because no explanation saki plus ni becomes au therefore sakyau right therefore sakyau.
Sir, excuse me, sir. That website is given like Pitru plus Nam, Pitru Nam, Adayah, Jnatavyam he has given. Achashcha paribhashaya sahayena achvarnasya dirghaha bhavati iti jnayate. So maybe that one you are telling?
No, not that one.
Okay.
Dirghaha adesha vruddhi dirgha adesha rasvaha, all these will happen only in the place of vowel only. Even see, anga will take dirghatvam means anga must have a vowel, right?
Yeah.
For example, in the fourth gana we saw sham plus shan plus ti angasya shamam ashtadinam dirghaha we sutra we saw. Sham will take dirghatvam. Sham will take dirghatvam means sham is a stani. Okay, now can you apply alontyasya hantyavarna is makara? How can you take dirghatvam? So you have to find what is the anga there. We have to find what is the vowel there in the anga. Only one vowel is there. A is the sham dhatu. So achagastane eva dirghaha adesha bhavati. For that only the paribhasha achascha. Yatra kutrapi ashtadhyayam rasvaha dirghaha putaha iti katarena adeshaha kritaha asti tastatu swaraha achastane eva bhavati iti jnatavyam. That is the paribhasha is. Achascha is ashtadhyaya is the paribhasha. That paribhasha is there in the ashtadhyaya.
Okay.
That is that we know that, right?
Yeah.
Dirgha will happen. Dirgha for what will happen? Only for the vowels, right?
Yeah.
That is Nami. I forgot something else. It's okay, no problem. Now, next
Only
is
when you have Nuttagama, the Num Agama
Hmm.
should come, then only you can apply Nami, right?
any agama, nakara must be there. Nuttar, num, whatever it is.
Yeah.
Whatever is there. No, the upada dirghatvam, the dirgha happened by something else also. I forgot. Okay. Anyway, no problem. Jnatavyam. I think this also we will read. यद्यपि अस्मिन् सूत्रे इकारान्त उकारान्तेभ्यः परसंज्ञे प्रत्ययस्य औतादेशः दत्तः तथापि now Saki Shabda is Gisangika Shabda or not? You know, we have discussed that. Saki Shabda is it a Gi Sangika Shabda? Yes or no? You don't have to think because Sutra is
It's a Pullinga, so it
no. Sutra is Sheshaha Gi Asaki only.
Asaki.
Sutra itself says, what is that to think? Huh?
Yeah.
Except Saki Shabda it says. Gi Sanya is applicable to what Shabda? Can we apply for Rikaranta, Akaranta? No.
No.
We are discussing only about Ikaranta, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Ukaranta. Only this four. I mean, Nadi Shabda, Gisanya, etc. Right? Nadi Sanya, Gisanya. Well, only these four only we are discussing. And the Linga, Pullinga, Shailinga, Napumsakalinga. Now, we have to understand this because we are going to see Trilinga. In fact, we have started seeing the last class, Nadi Shabda. For Ikaranta, Ikaranta. Ukaranta, Ukaranta. For Pullinga, Strilinga, and Napumsakalinga. What Sanya these Shabdas will enjoy? That we have to see. Only two Sanyas are there. Nadi Sanya and Gi Sanya. Nadi Sanya is ordained to Nitya, Strilinga, Ikaranta Shabda and Ukaranta Shabda. That is Usarga. Then after that, so many sutras are there mentioned down below. Right? That is Na Iyanguvang. That is there. Then Vami is there. Then Giti Rasvascha. Finally, Sheshaha, Gi, Asaki, Sheshaha Ukta Tanyaha, whatever has been told. Other than that, we'll enjoy Gi Sanya except for the Saki Shabda. So Saki Shabda doesn't enjoy Gi Sanya. Okay.
Okay.
So now we have to see 4, 5, 6. There only some one footnote came that we will discuss that also. Now here for Saki Shabda, what he says, Yadyapi Asmin Sutra Ikaranta Ukaranta Shabdebhyaha Parasagi Pratyasya Utadeshaka Dattaha Asti Tatapi Ki Sanyakasya Parasya Ni Pratyasya Achagege applicable for Ji Sanyaka Shabda
Ji Sanyaka.
whose that Ikaranta Ukaranta Shabda will get Akara Adesha and Gege out bhavati. That's why Ari plus Au, what do you get?
Harau.
Ari is replaced by Acha. Then Gehe Stane Auta Desha.
Out.
Then A plus Au is Vriddhi. Right?
Yeah.
That's what happened. Acha Gehe is 73119. This is before that, out. So this is Acha Gehe will apply for Gi Sangika Shabda. Saki is not, therefore this doesn't apply. That is why out is there. That is why this sutra is given. The sutra, where is Gi here? Not there, right? It udbhyam uttarasya. Yes, that is Ikaranta Ukaranta Pratipadikana Uttarasya. Therefore, no Gi here. After that only Gi Sanya comes. That is next sutra 73119. Acha Geke. Okay, sorry. To be read. Acha Geke.
7-1 it will come, right? Hari plus me.
7-1?
It will come. Acha Gehe will come for Hari Shabda.
Yeah, that's a 7-1 only. Yes. Acha Geke 7-1. Yes. That's why Arav, Guru plus Au, Guru you get. Only for Gi Sangika Shabda, not for Saki Shabda. Then Nadi Sanyakat, Ikaranta, Ukarantat, Parasya, Nye Pratasya, Nadi Sanya Shabda. Can Nadi Sanya Shabda be Ikaranta, Ukaranta? Yes. How? Niti Rasvascha we have seen. When Nit Pratyaya follows, Nit means 4-1, 5-1, 6-1, 7-1, right? Follows.
Okay.
That will take Nadi Ikaranta, Ukaranta Shabda, Vikalpe Nadi Sanya Bhavati. Otherwise, Gi Sanya, right? When it doesn't take Nadi Sanya, then it will take Gi Sanya. Fine. Now, Nadi Sanyakat, Ikaranta, Ukaranta Parasya, Ni Pratyasya, that will, this we will see. It would be 7311 Ityanena Adeshaha Bhavati. This sutra you will see. In the case of Nadi Shabda. In the case of, what is, not Nadi Sangika Shabda. Nadi Sangika Shabda is Mati Shabda if you take. Mati. For example, Mati Shabda you take. Mati plus Ni, what will happen? Mati is Strilinga. Okay, not Pullinga, Strilinga. Mati plus Ni.
2 forms will be there. Matto and Matya.
Mati is Nit Pratyaye Pare Mati Shabdasya Nadi Sanya Bhavati Vikalpena. So if we take Mati Shabda as Mati Shabda is not Nadi Sanyaka Shabda by the Utsarga Sutra. Because Utsarga Sutra says Dirga Ikaranta, Dirga Ukaranta.
But so here it should be Dirga, no, sir? Nadi Sanyakat Ikaranta.
No. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Ikaranta, Ukaranta Shabdas are Nadi, that is Utsarga Sutra.
Okay.
That is, when Nit Pratyaya follows, Rasvascha, even Rasva Shabda also, Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta also, Vikalpena Va, it will enjoy Nadi Sanya. But only one Sanya possible. Either Nadi Sanya or Sheshaha Gi Sanya. So if it enjoys Nadi Sanya, Gi Karya it cannot do. It cannot undergo. So considering Rasvaikara Ukaranta, Trilinga, Nitya Srilinga Shabda, enjoy Nadi Sanya, then what will happen? By the Sutra 73117, it Udbhyam means Rasva Ikaranta, Rasva Ukaranta Shabdat Uttarasya Ni Pratyasya Sthane Out Adesha Bhavati. That is why Mati Shabda, Mati plus Au Mati Shabda enjoy Nadi Sanya. By this sutra 73117, you get Ni getting out Adesha, Mati plus Au, what do you get? Matyau, right? Mati plus Au is
Yes, I mean, one
Matyam,
is.
Matau, sorry,
Mati.
sorry, Ni Pratyasya, Ityarena, Id Udvyam, Au Adesha Bhavati. Yeah. So, Mati plus Au, it will become
Mati.
not Mati. Mati plus Au, that is Ni Saptami Bhakti, Ni Pratyaya.
Saptami.
Matya.
Matu and Matyam are the two forms.
Two forms. Then after that, Vartamana Sutrena, Ataha Vartamana Sutrena Prayojanam Kevalam Ikaranta Ukaranta Shabdanam Krute Asti Yesha Nadi Sanya Pina Bhavati Ye Sanyana about that. This is what the connecting point is. Okay. Here he says, for Nadi Shabda we will see, the Sutra we will see. That is Nadi Shabda, Nadi Sanyaka Shabda, Mati Shabda if you take, it would be out by that Sutra. Mati Shabda, Mati plus Au. Mati is, if it takes Nadi Sanyaka Shabda, because that is Vikalpena, Niti Rasvascha by that Sutra, Mati Shabda enjoys Nadi Sanya, taking that to be Nadi Sanyaka Shabda, then Au when you add, Mati plus Au, then what you get? Mati plus Au, it's what Sanya it enjoys?
Nadi Sanya.
Nadi Sanya. So Mati plus Au, Tasya, but we don't get Mati plus Au, not Matyo, right? Matya Matau only the Rupam.
Correct.
Matyam plus Matau only the Rupam. So Matau is one form. Matau is you get by Acha Gege, like Hari Shabda. Hari becomes Haru.
Yeah.
Hari becomes Haru, Mati becomes Matau. Therefore, from the form it is very clear it is Gi Sangika Shabda.
Okay.
But Matyam is another form, which is there the Mati Shabda enjoys
Nadi.
Nadi Sanya. So there what happens is that Id Udbyam is there. This sutra will not apply. There another sutra is there. We will see later. That is Nadi Sangika Shabda will that Ni will be Anadhyaha will apply. We will see that. That is Am will come and then Atagama also will come. So what is that? That's why he says further down this sutra, Vartamana Sutrasya, that is Idvudbyam, the Sutrasya, Kevalam, Tesham, Ikaranta Ukarantanam Krite Asti, Esham, Nadi Sanya Api Nasti, Yi Sanya Api Nasti. That which doesn't enjoy any of the Sanya, for that alone, this applies. Therefore, Sakhi Shabda, Pati Shabda only, this is applied, not for other words. This sutra, out ordaining Aukara Adesha in the place of Ni, this is applicable only for the Shabdas which are neither Nadi, neither Gi. If it is a Gi Sangaka Shabda, then Achagege will apply, right? Achagege says, Ikara, Ukara will be replaced by A and Pratyaya will be replaced by Au. Therefore, Arau, Matau. If it is, that is Gi. If it is Nadi, then An-Nadhyaha will apply. That is why Nadhyam you get. Nadhyam, similarly, Mati Shabda we have Matyam. Understand?
Yes.
Therefore, then why the sutra is the 73118? For what purpose? It is only for those Shabda which don't enjoy either Nadi or Gi. You see the 73118. That is what he says in the note here. Okay. 1 minute, I will show you that. 73. What all the sutras are there before and after, you will see. Once you see Anadhyaha, you will understand what we are discussing. The sutra is 73118. Let's go to that section. This is the one. You see here. All the sutras we are going to see here. From here, if you see Angi Chapaha, we will see that Sambuddhav Cha Ambartha Nadhyo Rasvaha. We are going to see all the sutra. Rasvasya gunaha already we have seen. Jasicha, Rutongi Saranamastana Yogo, Gengiti, have you seen or not? You have seen.
Yes,
we-
yes, we have
Git-
seen.
Gi Sangnikasya, Giti Pratye Pare,
Niti pratyay pare.
Gunaha Bhavati.
Guna.
Annadhyaha says, Nadi Sangnika Shabda, Niti coming as Anuvrutti. So when Git Pratyaya follows, that word which enjoy Nadi Sangya, it will get Art, Agama, Art, Annadhyaha, we will see that. And then Yada, Yadapaha, Yatagama also will come. Then Sarvanama Shabda, Sarvanama Drasvascha. Then Ngege Am, Nadyam Nibhyaha, Idudbyam. Here only Idudbyam is there. Now, this Idudbyam is Idudbyam out. Idudbyam goes as Anuvrutti. The next sutra, Idudbyam out. Now, this Idudbyam sutra, that is Ikaranta, Ukaranta Shabda, followed by Ni Pratyaya, it will get what Adesha? Am Adesha. 73116 coming as Anuvrutti, Nye Ram, right?
Yeah.
That Ni, what is Nyehe? Saptami. Saptami Bhakti. That will get what Adesha?
Amadesha.
Amadesha. So Saptami Vibhakti, Ekavachana, Ni Pratyaya get Amadesha. For what? Nadi. Nadyam Nibhyaha. Ni is one Shabda. Okay, we'll see that later. Nadi you take. Nadi Shabda or Nadi Sangika Shabda. Both will get what? Ni will get Amadesha. And Nadi Sangika, Idudbyam Shabda. Words will get, the Pratipadikam will get, the Pratyaya will get Ikaranta, Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Uttarasya, Nyehe Sthane, Am Adesha Bhavati. Right? This Nyeram, Nyehe Am. That Ni alone coming as Anuvrutti. Am doesn't come as Anuvrutti. Please note. So, Idudbyam coming as Anuvrutti for out. And Ni coming as Anuvrutti here. Am doesn't come as Anuvrutti. Therefore, Idudbyam out. This out ordaining, that is Ni Pratyaya ordained is ordained out Adesha for Ikaranta Ukaranta Shabda, right? Which is neither Nadi nor Gi. Therefore, it is specifically for Saki Shabda and Pati Shabda. Saki Shabda, Rasva Ikaranta Shabda. Does it enjoy Gi Sanya? No. Anyway, it doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya, leave it. Then Shesho Gi Asaki, Nadi Sanya, Gi Sanya also doesn't enjoy.
Okay.
Right? Therefore, and okay, that is one. Yes, that is one. And Pati Shabda we will see that later. Therefore, the Sutram is mainly for the Shabda which don't
Doesn't have
enjoy Gi
Gi
Sanya
Sanya,
or Nadi
Nadi
Sanya.
Sanya.
That is a connection. Okay, the discussion. We'll see that later. Then further you will understand what does it mean here. Saki Shabda, Pati Shabda. Pati Shabda also we will discuss. We are going to discuss Pati. Then Asmin Sutre, Ukara Grahanasya, Kimapi Prayajanam Nasti. Yes, the Sutra, it would be. See, when we say Saki and Pati, these both are Ikaranta Shabda. So where is the Ukaranta? Then why it would be is there? Not for this Sutra. Asmin Sutre, Ukara Grahanasya, Kimapi Prayajanam Nasti. Yataha, Save Ukarantaha, Gi Sanyakaha, or Nadi Sanyakaha Bhavanti. So for Ikaranta Shabda, the Saki Shabda, Pati Shabda, those Shabdas only don't enjoy any of the names. What about Ukaranta Shabda? Ukaranta Shabda will take Gi Sanya or Nadi Sanya optionally. By Giting Rasvascha, Nadi Sanya Vikalpena Bhavati. By Shesho Gi Asaki, Gi Sanya will take optionally. Giti Rasvascha by the Nadi Sanya. Either it enjoys Nadi Sanya by that Sutra, or Shesho Gi Asaki by that, it enjoys Gi Sanya. So any of the Sanya, Ukaranta Shabda enjoys. Okay. So then why Idudbyam is there? Not for this Sutra, not for out. It is for the other Sutra it is required. Idudbyam only coming as Anuvrutti. Therefore, you don't have to bring ut also, only it. Even though the it udbyam coming as anuvritti, we can understand ukaranta has no purpose here. You can just bring it alone. It means ikaranta pratipadika uttarasya out pratyasya sthane what adesha bhavati. Sorry, ni pratyasya sthane out adesha bhavati. Okay. So for all our purposes, we can take only ikara only coming as anuvritti. Ukara doesn't have any purpose because we don't have any ukaranta shabda which enjoying, enjoying neither of the sangha. We don't have either one of the sangha ukaranta shabda must enjoy. Only ikaranta shabda we have which don't enjoy any of the sangha. You follow?
Yes, Ji.
I think Sanskritam is better than my teaching, right? Confusing, right? So this is Saki Shabda and Pati Shabda. Only for this Shabda, only this sutra is there. Because Saki Shabda is very specific, doesn't enjoy any of the sangha. So
Okay.
for that purpose only the sutra is there out. What is the Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam of Pati?
Patau only.
Pati Shabda is,
Patyau, it should be Patyau, no? Like Sakyau, it should be Patyau.
it is not like, of course, like Ari, right?
Yeah. Achagehe is not there.
Pati plus of Pati Shabda already we have seen. Pati plus of what happens? N Sandhi. Simple actually. Pati Shabda is compared to Hari Shabda is simple. Hari Shabda only we have Acha Gege. But Pati Shabda only simple Sandhi. Pati plus of Patyav.
Patyau.
So what applies there? Acha Gege? No, it's not Gi Singha.
Yeah.
It's not Gi Singha. Does it enjoy Nadi Singha? It is not.
Yeah.
It is not. Why Nadi Singha is not there? It is Yang Uvang Adesha, all those things, but that's not there, doesn't happen. Therefore, that also doesn't enjoy. Right? Okay.
Yes.
I'll tell you another thing. Why it is like that? Okay. Now you must ask this question. Why Pati Shabda doesn't enjoy Gi Sanya? It is understandable.
Yeah,
It doesn't,
Yashoda Saki in that Asaki is there. So therefore that Gisanya is not there. But how
no,
come
no.
that? Huh?
Gi Sanya not there only for Saki. Gi Sanya is not there for Saki only. Gi Sanya for the Pati. How do you know Gi Sanya not there? Nadi Sanya not there. For Saki doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya, number one.
Yeah.
Saki doesn't enjoy Gi Sanya. That is known from the Sutra itself. Sheshaha Gi Asaki. What
Okay.
about Pati then? Pati is Pullinga Shabda, first of all.
Okay.
Right? Pullinga Shabda. Therefore, Yang Uvang Adesha, if it comes, or the it is like Hari Shabda. Hari Shabda, does it enjoy the Sanya? Does it enjoy what? Does it enjoy Nadi Sanya? Hari Shabda? No.
No.
Hari Shabda doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya. Hari Shabda enjoys what Sanya? Gi Sanya. That's why Achakeke and all you apply, right?
Yeah.
I hope you all remember those Sanya.
Yeah, it's
Hari Shabda enjoys Nadi Sanya or Gi Sanya.
Gisanya.
Yes.
Hari Shabda enjoys Gi Sanya, right? Hari Shabda, Guru Shabda. By what sutra?
Gher
By what sutra Hari Shabda enjoys Gi Sanya?
Keshogi.
No.
Asaki.
Sheshaha Gi Asaki, that is final.
147.
But one more thing is will be coming in, right? That Gi Sanya, that is Niti Rasvascha, Va coming as Anuvritti, right? Niti Rasvascha, and Va also coming as Anuvritti. All this coming as Anuvritti for Shesha, right? So Rasva Shabda and Rasva Shabda means Rasva Ikaranta Ukaranta Shabda, which are Sheshaha, not Uktaha here. Therefore, they will enjoy Gi Sanya. Okay. the 3 points, if you remember, the 3 points which I mentioned before. Okay, we will come back to Saki a little later. The Pati Shabda, Saki Shabda, you please see. Ikaranta, Ukaranta. The 3, yeah, here it is. The remaining will take Gi Sanya with the exception of the word Saki. Non-feminine genders ending in Rasva, right? You remember this 3 points which I listed.
Yes.
This is out of the discussion. Sheshaha Gi Saki. We discussed this long back. So based on that, non-feminine means what? Pullinga, Napumsakalinga. Ending in Rasva. That is Ivarna, Varna only we are discussing, not other Anta. Then feminine words which do not take Nadi Sanya. Like the situation Niti Rasvascha, which doesn't give Nadi Sanya, that time it will take Gi Sanya. Then Stri Shabda also, Stri Shabda always enjoys Nadi Sanya, therefore, the Shabda Saki and here itself I have mentioned, if you see, this is already we have seen these points. Pati and Saki are neither Nadi nor Gi. Therefore, see here itself we have applied. Sutra out will not apply. Therefore, Sutra out will not apply. That's Sri Shabda, always enjoy Nadi Sanya. Then this first point alone you take. Non-feminine words, that is Pullinga, Napumsakalinga Shabda, Rasva, Rasvanta Shabda, Ivarna, Uvarna, Ikara, Ukara, they are Gi Sangika Shabda, right? Therefore, Ari Shabda is Gi Sangika Shabda. Then Pati also must be Gi Sangika, right? Then why you say Pati is not Gi? Question comes or not? That's a question I asked. In fact, I raised a question.
Yeah.
Pati
So-
Shabda, yeah.
It is mentioned there, Saki and Pati Shabda, and that is mentioned in that third point.
No, you see that the sutra, the next sutra in that, Patihi Samase Yeva. Next sutra, we are going to see that. Patihi
Samaseva.
Samase Eva what? Gi Sanya Bhavati.
Yeah.
You
Right,
told us.
right,
Ganapati.
Ganapati,
You told us.
Sabhavati, Prajapati.
Yeah, now we got. Yes, yes.
Then it, because it enjoys Gi Sanya, therefore Ari Shabdavati.
Okay.
Because Ari Shabda enjoys Gi Sanya. Pullinga, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Rasva Ikaranta, Rasva Ukaranta, Pullinga, Napumsakalinga Shabda enjoys Gi Sanya. That is Shesho Gi Asaki. We have seen that. Pati Shabda is also Rasva Ikara only, Pullinga only. Why it doesn't enjoy Gi Sanya? Because the next sutra restricts the scope of Gi Sanya to Pati Shabda only in the context of the Samasa. It means Pati Shabda alone is neither Gi.
No Gi Sanya.
Nadi Sanya? No, that is also not. To be a Nadi Sanya, it must be Nitya Srilinga Shabda, right? It should be a Nitya Srilinga Shabda. Therefore, that is not. Therefore, you can see. We are going to further discuss on this Nadi and Gi. So, all these things you have to remember. Rasva Ikaranta Ukarantaha Pullingaha Napumsakalinga Shabdaha Gi Sanyakaha Bhavanti. Right? Number 1. Number 2. Rasva Ikaranta Ukaranta Strilinga Shabdaha Angit Pratyaya Pare Gi Sanyaka Bhavanti. Already what we said. That is Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Dirgha Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Nadi Sanya. We never talked about Rasva Ikara Ukara. That question comes. What about Rasva Ukara, Ikara Ukara? Rasva Ikara Ukara, Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Srilinga Shabda, Angit Pratyaya Pare. Angit Pratyaya means?
Not.
For example, Mati plus Mati Shabda is Strilinga Shabda. Nitya Strilinga Shabda. It is Ikaranta Shabda. Right?
Yeah.
Now, how is what Pratyaya? We are going to see Mati Shabda. Don't worry, okay? How is what? It's not a Git Pratyaya. Therefore, Mati plus so what will happen? Doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya, Angit Pratyaya Pare. Git Pratyaya Pare, Vikalpena Nadi Sanya Bhavati. But here, how is not a Git Pratyaya? Therefore, Agit Pratyaya, not a Git. So, what sanya it will enjoy? By Shesho Gi, Mati Shabda will enjoy
Yes.
Gi sanya. Because it is Gi sanya, therefore what will apply? Mati plus Au will become?
Actually,
Mati plus Au.
This is Sarvanam, Dvivachana, no?
Yeah.
Matyau.
Therefore, what will happen here? Matihi,
Mati.
Matau.
Matihi, Mati. Matihi, Mati. Purva Parayogo Sthane. Purva Savara Dirghadesha Bhavati. Right? We are talking about Agit Pratyaya, not Git Pratyaya, not 7-1 here. Please see, it is not 7-1. This is 7-1 means what will happen? Mati will enjoy. If it is 7-1, then it will enjoy.
So,
Yes, I am.
It will
Actually.
enjoy. It will enjoy Nadi Sanya optionally.
Yeah.
Therefore, you will have Matyam and Gi Sanya, Matau, 2 forms. Right?
Yeah.
Understand?
Yes, Ji.
Agit Pratyaya Pare, when not followed by Agit Pratyaya, Nityam Gi Sanya Kaha Bhavati. There is no choice, in fact. Therefore, Au is 1-2. So, Mati plus Au. Then what will happen? He apply the sutra.
Pratamayo Purva Savarana Dirgha
Therefore,
Bhavati.
there it happens. There it happens, right? Therefore, Mati you get. Then Rasva Ikaranta Ukaranta Srilinga Shabda, Nit Pratyaya Pare, it will become Gi Sanya, provided if it is not a Nadi Sanya. Either only one Sanya, right? If it is not a Gi Sanya, when it is not a Nadi Sanya. Fine. Now, what I am saying is, this Pati Shabda, which is Rasva Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda, Rasva Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda, supposed to get Gi Sanya, that doesn't get, because the next sutra restricts the scope of Gi Sanya to Pati Shabda only in the context of Samasa. So therefore, in the compound, Pati Shabda will be declined like Ari Shabda. That is why we decline Ari Shabda. So if it is not Gi Sanya, then how it is declined, how it is derived. That is what we saw. That is, it is neither Gi Sanya, Nadi Sanya, therefore both of the rules will not apply. That is why in the sutra, out, it would be out. What happens there? It would be out for the Saki Shabda.
Saki plus Au.
Okay, 1 minute. Saki plus Au,
Sakhyo.
Sakyo. Just you do Yen Sandhi. Just a minute. Saki plus Au, Sakyo. I'm taking example of Saki. Similarly, Pati, if you take Pati plus Au, what you get? Patyo, right?
Yeah.
Pati plus Au is Patyo, Saki plus Au is Sakyo. Therefore, this out, the sutra is for what Shabda? It is only for Ikaranta Shabda only, which do not enjoy neither Nadi Sanya nor
Gi
Gi
Sanya.
Sanya. If it enjoys Gi Sanya, that is Pratipadikam. Suppose Pratipadikam enjoys Gi Sanya, then Achagege will apply.
Correct.
If it is, yeah, if it is Nadi Sanya, then it will apply. Anadhyaha will apply.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Therefore, Pati and Saki Shabda, neither, both. Therefore, simply what do you apply? Just do Yansad. That's all. I mean, after ordaining Aukara Desha. Okay, after that, you just ordain. You just do Yansad. You follow what I'm saying?
Yes, Ji.
The meaning of the sutra out is this applicable for Ikaranta Shabda, only for Ikaranta. Ukara we don't have, because Ukaranta Shabda must enjoy either Gi Sanya or Nadi Sanya. Whereas Ikaranta Shabda, we have Shabdas like Saki and Pati. Pati, how you say? Because of the next sutra. Next sutra says Pati is Samasa. If it is not Samasa, then Pati also like Gi, Pati also like Saki will not enjoy either of the Sanya. Therefore, what will happen? This Ikarantasya Ni pratyaya pare out adeshah bhavati, then do yen sandhi. This is what the sutra says. This is the meaning of the sutra out. Is it clear?
Yes. Now it's clear. So
Others?
Sakhi Shabda means okay, Sheshogya Sakhi Ityanena, that Di Sanya will not be there. And Nadi Sanya, why it is not there means because the Sakhi is Pulinga Shabda, therefore Nadi Sanya will not come. Same way, correct, sir?
Okay. Why Nadi Sanya will not come, you're asking, right? We'll discuss that. So Nadi
Yeah.
Sanya, the discussion comes down below. That is what we are, in fact, we are discussing in the last class. We started the discussion Nadi Sanya. Nadi Sanya, these are the sutra we are going to see. Use Triya Kyo Nadi, then Na Iyang Uvang Stano Astri, Vami Itirasvascha. So when we discuss, then you will know why the Sakhi Shabda is not.
Okay, okay.
But why Sakhi Shabda is not Nadi Sangika Shabda. Neither Gi nor Nadi. Similarly, Pati also, neither Gi nor Nadi.
So out has come there.
Therefore, out. Therefore, the out sutra is intended only for Vikaranta Shabda, which are neither Gi nor Nadi. That much you understand. Okay. I think doubts will be there. That will clarify after we discuss this. In fact, we started discussing this. We'll do this. This Yang Uvang and all we have to discuss in detail. So we'll discuss that in the next class. Okay. And in the last class, I said here one doubt is that I told that it's correct only. Here for this, there's Anuvritti Sutra Nishedha Bhavati. Okay, we will see that next class. We are now time not there. We'll stop here. You understand what I said? No?
Yes.
Okay. Vikaranta Shabda, I explained that 4 points. And for Sakhi Shabda and Pati Shabda. Just a note, these are neither Gi nor Nadi. Then we should know what are Nadi, what are Gi. For that only we have to see this sutra. Use Triyaka Nadi onwards, we have to see all the 4 sutra in detail. Then only you will know. I mean, you know it now, then only you will know it clearly. Otherwise, it will be, you will know now what the doubts. So we will discuss this. So we will discuss from the use Triyaka Nadi from the next class. Okay, up to this we have done. So we will discuss from here, use Triyaka Nadi. So for all Sakhi Shabda, you know, Pati Shabda, you know. Okay. Now Nadi Shabda, we will know. Nadi Sangika Shabdas and Gi Sangika Shabda. What are they? That we'll discuss. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnavidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. If you are studying, you study up to here, Pati Shabda. Don't study now the state Nadi and all.
Okay.
Nadi, you will get unnecessary, you will get confused now. Though I explained in the last class, Nadi and all, but still, leave it.
Okay.
Up to this alone, you do it. Okay.
Yes.
So that
Sharanji,
Nadi, when
we
I
could cover only few in 1 hour, Sharanji. What the 2.5 hours class, we could condense it in 1 hour. So we take our own sweet time to complete that.
it's okay. Nadi Shabda, leave it. Nadi, that is Nadi Sangika Shabda, we will see that later. I mean, next class we will do it. Okay. So you don't study that.
Okay.
Okay.
You understand Sakhi Shabda, Pati Shabda clearly, what it is.
Okay.
Patiya Samase, the sutra, that also I told now. So you know that it doesn't enjoy
Yeah.
Nadi Sanya as well as Gi Sanya, not
Gi
Sanyas. So therefore you do whatever the rules apply. And out is I specifically said because it doesn't enjoy that, particularly that sutra says Vikaranta Shabda, Pati and Sakhi doesn't enjoy either of the Sanya. Therefore, out Adesha Bhavati Anantaram, equal energy will apply.
Okay.
So, can you take it for granted? You understand up to Sakhi and Pati. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, yes, sure.
So we will revise and
We'll
Yes, if
rise
you have
once
doubt-
more, so yeah.
You please go through and then ask if you have any doubts. Okay. Like what you asked, it's Nitya. Nitya must be clear now.
yeah, yes.
Yes, Sharanji, that is.
Yes. Okay. Dhanyavadaha. Ganesh, you understand, right? Follow.
Yes, yes, Sharanji.
Dhanyawad.
Sharanji,
Dhanyawad.
Purnaman.
Will you do it?
No,
Om
we didn't do
Purnamadav Purnavidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha. See, certain things I take it for granted and use. Therefore, you have to come with some preparation. Otherwise, every time if I go and explain what is Nadi, what is Ji,
Yeah.
that
that's
becomes
true.
complicated. Certain things,
Mm.
I take it, you know it, I take it for granted and move on. Okay.
Yes, sure.
Okay.
Okay. So, fine. Up to the now is fine. But next class, you will see all. That time, if you have any doubts, that will get clarified.
Yes, Ji.
Yes,
Okay.
Ji. So this is not coming under Akadarat section. So naturally, it will not enjoy either Gi Sanya or.
Now, it comes under that only. Akada Reka Sanya.
Oh, okay.
Because of the reasons I told now, it doesn't enjoy either the Sanya.
So it can
Saki
also be
Shabda-
like that.
Saki Shabda, Asaki. This is Asaki, therefore no Gi. It's very clear in the Sutram itself.
Yeah.
And Saki Shabda doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya also.
Mm.
And Pati Shabda, only in Samasa, it enjoys Gi Sanya. Therefore, Pati Shabda alone doesn't enjoy Gi Sanya, neither Nadi Sanya. So, therefore, both Sanyas are denied for Saki and Pati.
Mm.
Gi Sanya is denied by 137. Nadi Sanya already, anyway, it is not there. Therefore, both Sanyas are not there.
Okay.
Gi Sanya denied by the Sutra, Nadi Sanya not there. Therefore, both Sanyas are not there.
Okay, Ji.
Okay.
Okay, Ji.
We'll discuss in the next class.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad, sir.